I think we are live. Boys, can you see this? Ladies and gentlemen, can we see this? Is the stream running? Holy shit! Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. We just went to two. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wait a minute. Whoa, 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 whoa. Boys, ladies and gentlemen, that was unexpected. Whoa, 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 whoa. It just shot to 258. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is crazy. Let me tweet that out. $256? Somebody says you go live and the price skyrockets up. Never go offline again. My friend, my bad. I'm sorry I went offline at some point. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're in the chat right now, get those likes in. Get those likes in. Right now we're at 36. If you right now watching this, press the like button. We're going to be instantly at above like 300 because we've got over 400 people watching. So don't be stingy with that, you know. Keep pressing it because we right now are witnessing the highest XRP prices seen in years. Let me change the title, matter of fact. I mean, I didn't expect this. I opened the stream. 1 minute in, we just start pumping. Holy smokes, man. Let me change the... Give me a second to change this. Oh, never mind. I thought it was 245. But no, it's all good. It's all good. Wow. Man, I mean, to be honest with you, this is... Now we're getting to shocking prices and man, are you guys seeing this? That is wild, huh? That is some wild price action right now. That is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. So I wanted to say, like, I made a video earlier talking about why XRP is pumping. And I had a full story on it. By the way, here's the update on the trades that I put up yesterday night. We only put $5,000 into the account. Right now it's a 5.5 thousand, or 5.6. So it's not doing too amazing, but not doing too bad. Let's see. The trades in general though, XRP still 55, something like that. K profit. 𝗵𝗲 is still 80%. ADA doing nothing basically. Bitcoin doing nothing. Nothing new, at least. It's still how much? Let's see, about 26K worth of profit. Doge still about 30K worth of profit. Ethereum has actually fallen down a bit, only $13,000 worth of profit. WIF still screwing me over completely. But XRP, I just was, right now, this is kind of funny, right? I've made multiple videos. Right now, I was going to make another video explaining why I'm buying the... You see, because I had to switch accounts. I wanted to make another video why I'm buying the Dogecoin dip if it gets to 40 cents. But again, that was like a few hours back. So I wanted to buy here at roughly like 41. Right now, it's already at 42. I can still buy though, because this is on the new account and I want to average my way down, right? I told you guys, hey, we just fell down like 10%. Here, I should be adding again, but I just try to do it. As you can see, wait, let me show you actually. You can actually really see it here on the right. The price when I was doing the video was 41,009. I tried to put $300 in again, but it was the wrong account. So the moment I press buy, it says error, blah, 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 blah. Order submission failed because I'm on a different account. So I can't do that, which is a problem. But it's because I switched to the main account. But now XRP, wait, this is HBAR. By the way, that was a good trade. It's only unlucky that we got only half the size in because I was explaining a story. So we only did half again for HBAR. Boys, what? 258. We're going again. 259 almost. Wow, we're pumping. We are going crazy. 2589. Hey. Anyway, long story short, man, there have been so many people asking me, should I open a position on XRP? And I keep saying in every one of the videos I'm making, right, that you are, if you're not having any position open and you're thinking of selling everything and be done, sell everything, be done is always cool. Because if you're in a life-changing situation, go, 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 go. I'll always support that. But in general, is the most important thing I can say. We're not really that far into this crazy cycle just quite yet. XRP has so much gains to go. I don't think it's going to be like 900% versus Bitcoin, but I think at least another couple 100%. And so from that perspective, especially with what we saw a few days ago, right? A couple 100% is not that odd. And so if that's the case, well, I mean, $2, whatever it's at right now, it's not much for XRP. It's not that high. People like to say, no, it's going to dump from here. Really? And then it just goes for another pump. I mean, there's not really anything stopping XRP here until we're at $2.75. I've been saying that for a few days in a row now, ladies and gentlemen. $2.75. Oh, we're going again. $2.60 has been hit, everybody. $2.60 per XRP. Guys, let's get a little, yeah, going in the chat box. Let's all, yeah, freaking go. Everybody here, who's holding XRP right now? Who's holding this? Who's watching this? $2.60 per XRP has just been hit. $2.60 per XRP has just been hit. Ladies and gentlemen, just yesterday I said sell at $2.60. Sorry, sell at $2.50 and buy back cheaper. If you were able to sell at $2.50, like I said, you could have bought back in at $2.22, and right now we're back at $2.60. XRP is a freaking rocket, and it's not stopping, baby. It just keeps, it's a gift that keeps on giving. I explained earlier today in my video why XRP is pumping, and it really made me realize, guys, we have not seen anything just quite yet. The reason I am longing the longs, the reason I keep going crazy here, is honestly only because I believe we are nowhere yet close to the end. All right, right now, by the way, if any of you guys are watching and you also want to trade crypto or you're already trading crypto, right now there's a pretty cool campaign going on Blowfin, by the way, and I think, wait, let me check it out. I think, so yesterday we were number 1, right, in terms of profit, but I think maybe today we have fallen down to number 2. I want to quickly check though. Let's see where our team is at. Our team is in number 3. We have fallen. No, the traders are not doing amazing, but we'll get back up there. All right, I believe in the team. We'll get back up there in the number 1 position. Right now we're still winning $7,500, but I want to win that $12,000 like earlier. We were number 1. We're going to get back up there, but I also want to say that right now I just announced for all of y'all that I'm running a $1,000 giveaway to 5 people. So just 5 people will win $1,000 in the next 48 hours. I'm basically closing it at the end of today. So all you need to do is have an account with the link down below, be in our team, deposit $10 at least. So I'm going to filter out some of the trolls and wait for the draw. Otherwise, I think a lot of people are just making it like 10 accounts or whatever. So at least I have to deposit something. And yeah. Maybe make one. I'm not sure if you need to make one trade because some people don't know how to do that. No worries about that. How to join the team? I think if you use the link down below, you're automatically in. And if it's not working, you might need a VPN, but I don't know about that. For me, it works. I always use a VPN for everything. Holy smokes, though, ladies and gentlemen. Look, boys, we're going. Somebody says I almost sold. Glad I didn't. It's fine to sell some. I always keep saying that. Right now, the $250 we put in, though, is at $4,200 worth of profit. So definitely not doing too bad here. And it's kind of funny that XRP is showing these numbers when Bitcoin and whatever are all coming down. That is kind of nice, right? It is really satisfying to me, especially because XRP is the biggest holding in my portfolio. This just, I don't know, it serves as some sort of justice. My portfolio just hit a new all-time high again. And it's kind of, it's like, it keeps on happening time and time. H-bar is also mooning. You guys are saying, yes, I think so, huh? Yeah, our H-bar trade is from yesterday. It's up 300% since yesterday. $700 up since we opened this just a few hours ago. I want to also open another, you know what? Even though the Dogecoin is already recovering, I'm going to switch accounts here and I'm going to open another Dogecoin trade. Let me, I made a new account, DustyBC Crypto is the new account name, because I think we'll be able to flip $5,000 into $1 million in a few weeks. It might sound crazy, but we're going to do some really high risk strategies. Buying right here, for example, is kind of dumb, but I still kind of want to do it just to prove a point. Let's just add to Doge right there. Why? Because we need to up these numbers a little bit, right? We added some to Doge to get our average price slightly lowered. It didn't really change that much, to be honest, because we didn't add that much size. But that's because I wanted to open it at 40 cents per Doge to get our average price to about, I'm going to say 41, 42. Right now, we would have been in profit, but I was too slow. Then again, I do believe Doge, given a matter of time, will be back up there. And I'm just going to keep adding to these positions, DCAing in. Right now, I have them open for Doge, H-bar, and ADA. This is just a new account I made. Let me switch accounts. No way this is happening, everybody. Give me a second to switch accounts. No way this is happening, right? No way. No way. No way. $2.64. Boys, when I said it's going to be a quick rise to 275, I didn't expect it to be this quick. Guys, this is crazy stuff, right? Man, are you guys seeing what I'm seeing right now? Where's everybody watching from? Where you guys are watching from right now? Let's get some excitement in the chat going. $2.64 per XRP is where we're at right now. $2.64. Look at that. We got everybody in the chat. I can't even read it anymore. It's going that fast. We got Netherlands, we got UK, we got Oklahoma, we got Canada, we got Detroit, we got Netherlands, we got South Africa, we got Los Angeles, we got Malaysia, we got Oregon, India, 𝗂𝗲𝗂𝗂, Poland, Netherlands, Fort Worth, Texas, Hornbach. What? We got Brazil, we got Canada, we got Netherlands again, Greece, Quebec. All right, we got Canada, Wales, South Africa, Turkey, Brazil, Perch. What's that? North Dakota. Man, we got everybody in the chat today. We got the whole world. We got people from all continents today. Who's watching from Antarctica? Huh? Boys, again, I'll say it. I'll repeat it a couple of times. Right now, we are at the highest XRP price in many, many years. This is for most... 267! Guys, 267! No! You can't make this stuff up! 267 per XRP. No freaking way, guys. Anyway, I was going to say, we are at the highest XRP prices that most people have ever seen. We're basically at an all-time high. Thomas says, watch it from America, Texas. Big heart to you. Thomas is the real OG here. Make sure you press that like button if you haven't done it yet. We are at 306. If you right now watching this, look me in the eye. Press that button right now. We are instantly at 1,000 likes. You don't believe me? Just press that button right now and we'll see, all right? Right now we're at 306. If every single person watching this, if you right now, you watching, right? You. Press that button right now. I'll give you like a few seconds. Just click. Just press that button. Why? Because then it makes the stream perform a little bit better. So, why not? We're double watched up today. Why? Because you gotta respect an XRP pump when you see it, boys. Let's skip the likes for a little second. I wanna bait more, but ladies and gentlemen, guys, this is just Dusty going live every day. XRP goes up. If you're not subscribed yet, then you've been missing out, because every single time we've gone live, things have gone absolutely crazy. I think every single stream we've done, we've gone up like 10 cents the past couple of days. Every single time I look back at this, it's just up another 10%. It's just up another 10%. RLUSD, Brad Garley has 60 minutes, 12.4, sell the news, feel a dump coming near all-time high with the news, not to be a downer, I have PTSD. Hey, very respectable opinion, Crypt Keeper, very, very respectable. We have a lot of excitement based on events right around us, right? However, sell the news, I think more as again, we get to our set 275. I have been saying this though. Man, you see, this is the funny part when it comes to trading crypto. I'm telling you guys what I really honestly think. That's what I always do. I vent about that every single day. I've been saying it's going to go from $2 to $2.75 in an instant. And even if I really knew it was going to happen, right? Because I said that's most likely. If I was really convinced, I'd have thrown my whole net worth. But like 60% of my net worth is in XRP. So I guess maybe more, maybe 70%, maybe more. So I can't complain. So I'm doing fine. I just meant then I would have opened the craziest of longs. But at $2.18, I got like, I was like, okay, I'm going to open one. But then it went to $2.26. I should have just bought when it went back to $2.60, $2.20, But it's scary, right? Because we've gone up so much. And I'm like, I've been explaining my strategies. The thing is, I have XRP positions open though. So I'm actually already doing quite okay as we're still making a lot of profit. And it's the biggest coin in my portfolio. So I'm being a little whiny ass, even though I've literally got more XRP than 99.9% of people in the world. So from that perspective, we're doing quite okay. It's not like I'm not putting my money where my mouth is. Let's see here. Explorer says, should we sell at 275? So the reason I keep saying 275 is not to make y'all scared. And I really hope that not that many people are watching this in the sense of selling at the same time. But if we're looking back at it, right, just take a look at it from the monthly perspective. This is the weekly perspective. We had $1.58 as the highest weekly close ever. We had $1.99 as the highest point hit in 2021. The highest weekly close from 2021 cycle. Highest point, 196. If we look at it from a weekly perspective, the highest week ever ended at 275. Now, today is Monday, right? And the highest point ever was 350 or so. Today's Monday. We still have a week or so to go before this close would matter. But theoretically speaking, depending on where we're going right now, the highest point that we ever were able to sustain on a weekly basis was 274. And from a monthly perspective, we already beat those levels out, as the highest level on a monthly basis was $1.99. So if we end this month or week at levels where we're at today, well, again, we only need about 10 cents higher from here. And that's the highest weekly, highest monthly, whatever, ever for XRP. So that is really where we start breaking records. Now, on a daily perspective, things are quite different. Because if we go back to the previous run, as you can see right here, from a daily perspective, there's a couple more barriers in the midst. For example, an interesting one is right here at about $2.50. But we talked about that yesterday already. The $2.50 is the most interesting barrier to watch out for. And I told everybody, if you want to sell at $2.50 and buy back in. But again, that's not finished advice. Those are my thoughts, and that's what I think is wise. Ultimately, though, XRP is going so exponential that this is just now based off of hype for the most part. Like, people are aping in their entire net worth at these crazy prices because they expect you to do better. But I will add that more money has been made buying tops than trying to time perfect bottoms and try to sell the top, I guess. Ed says, couldn't ask for a better day on my birthday. Brother, happy birthday, man. To everybody in this chat, hey, I want to quickly say to every single person who stops on by, every single one of you, congratulations. If you're holding it, let's see in the chat real quick. Who here is holding XRP? Out of all the people watching, we've got about 2,500 people watching. Who here is holding XRP? Who is? Who here is holding XRP? Who here? Come on. There we go. Look at that. So almost every single person in this chat is excited right now. I want to give y'all, every single one of y'all, a little slow clap, nice and slow. Yeah, just like that. A little slow clap. Never say how much XRP you hold. Please, guys, never put that in the chat. There might be some evil people lurking. I don't want you guys to get robbed or whatever, or you know what I mean, like scammed, whatnot. But I've looked at my crystal ball, guys. I've been looking for a little bit in my crystal ball. I've been looking, right? I've been, where the prices are going to go next. And all I'm telling you guys is, well, no, I guess my crystal ball is now faulty. I guess we have potentially broken the crystal ball, and now I guess it became a faulty ball. Wait a minute. Crystal ball has been broken. Okay. We should take a look at that. I guess with our XRP gains, we can do that now. But I was going to say, every single one of you, I just want to quickly say congrats for holding on. I really think it's kind of funny. Some people probably sold like 52 cents and they were like, oh, finally, I made like 5% gains, go from 50 cents to 52. And then they're like, oh, let's take a break from all this trading. They look back at XRP and then now they see it at freaking $2.60 something. Somebody says, take off your shirt. That's a bit of a suspicious statement to make. All right. Anyway, but things are crazy though. So where do you think it's going to go next? 275 is the most interesting level to watch for next, if I had to say a number. There's a lot of crazy excitement setting announcements though, right? I mean, from one perspective, we have Gary Gensler. I said this in my video earlier. We have Gary Gensler leaving office. That's going to happen January 20th. We have speculation of RLUSD being announced in about 48 hours from now. We have, and I don't have a screenshot for that, we have ourselves the speculation that Trump, by the way, Trump's going to get into office. It's pretty huge on its own. We also have the speculation that Trump is going to get rid of taxes for U.S. company cryptos, right? I think they're going to get rid of what taxes? Let's quickly see. Trump, well, anyway, I'll talk about it in a second. We have a few other things, though. We have one is that we have Chainlink right now making new announcements. This is just huge for crypto. We have Marathon Digital buying, or at least raising more money to buy more Bitcoin. We have MicroStrategy buying more Bitcoin. We have WisdomTree filing an XRP ETF. I thought they did that before already, but I guess they just filed something else before. Cryptkeeper says, agreed, $3 use strip. I mean, if XRP hits $3 right now, we could, you know what I mean? We could throw in something crazy right there. Sean says XRP is definitely, XLM is definitely confusing me. I'm curious why it hasn't jumped yet. I don't know what tree you are living under, my brother. I don't want to insult you, right? But are you living under a tree? Have you not checked the internet this week? Because I mean, again, I'm not trying to be insulting to you, right, brother? You know, we're all family here. But if we're ranking right now by the top gainers in the month, XLM is the best gainer out of, except for a meme coin. But so, I don't want to insult you, but if you're saying, why is XLM not, what are you talking about, my friend? Just because this week has not been that crazy doesn't mean that XLM didn't just have the absolute craziest month ever. It's up 5x in a month, my brother. So I don't know, man. I don't mean to be a guy, but it's up 5x. So can we really complain? Oh, why are my coins not up anymore when it just went up 500% in the span of 1 month? You are great. Now, I know you're saying, why is it not up today with a lot of our other coins, right? Why is it not up today with XRP and HBO and up 30%? I don't know. I'm joking a little bit. But damn, right? That is just absolutely crazy. These coins are just absolute madness, though. Like, the way that XRP is performing right now, this is something that I have literally never seen. Oh, I think Bitcoin started to move a bit again. I just got a TP notification. So maybe you know, maybe you don't. I always have bots running as well. And every single time that Bitcoin starts moving, I get these notifications because my trades are exiting. Because it's like, it always takes profit whenever things are turning around. So it's kind of funny. $2.60 in XRP though. Holy frickin' smokes. Man. How many of y'all think 275 will be hit today? What are y'all thinking? 275. We can hit it or no? Let me quickly replace this lamp also. Do you guys think 275 will be hit? Yes or no? Within the hour? Really? 275 end of the day. But then the next question should be, do we think another pullback is going to come after 275? Or do you guys think this is just, the moment it hits that, it's going to be crazy from there? What are you guys thinking? I got to read the room a little bit. You know, I got to see what the chat is thinking today. I got to know if you're generally speaking kind of bullish or bearish. Okay. Okay, now, guys, pick a number from 1 to 4. If you're in this chat right now, pick a number from 1 to 4. Just say 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me do a poll. 1, 2, 3. Never mind, I can't read this, right? 4. Pick a number. I need you guys for this. Don't worry about it. Number 3 has won. So the ranking was this. Which drink am I going to consume? For you guys, it's the opposite way. This is number 3. We shall be consuming an energy drink for the first time in an extremely long amount of time. But it's okay because at $2, no, I didn't say I needed you for anything important. Wait a minute. I guess we're decreasing our lifespan for the XRP pump. This is, okay, you know what? I'll skip it. We'll go for water. It's okay. No, the other one was a ginger shot. It was a 50-50, all right? And you guys chose wrong. What was the poll for? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. The poll was like extremely important information that was necessary for the longevity of the XRP, whatever. No, this was crucial. Just don't worry about it. Don't question things too much sometimes. All right. No, we got to do another poll. This is not boys, ladies and gentlemen. I got to stop saying boys. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at 263. We're back on the re-up. We're up and up. Look at this. Back above $2.63. I feel like an auctioneer, you know, like, and $2.63, just slightly above $2.64, and that's the last bid for $2.64, $2.64, $2.64, you know what I mean? Like those, is it called an auctioneer? I think so, right? $2.64, and right there we're going to want because this is $2.64. NFT World says, Dusty, been around forever and we still here. We still here. We still here. $2.65 and $2.65. Somebody says sold. All right. Hey, a little side note, by the way. We don't know how many people are watching here, but ETH flipped on daily volume. Really? No way XRP has more volume than Ethereum right now. Oh my freaking days. It is not updating yet, but you are actually correct. Chat. XRP right now has more Is it really this easy, boys and girls and everything else? I don't know what to tell you guys. You're coming here, but I'm not even sure what to say. We are right now in the top 3. We beat Solana, we beat Tether. I'm seriously thinking, what if this just keeps going and beats Ethereum here too, and it just keeps going? And I'm getting almost afraid now. What if XRP really gets back to those previous dominances, right? You know, remember back in time when XRP was half of Bitcoin's dominance? I don't think it's going to get really half. I'm just saying, what if really we just start going back to times where we're getting closer and closer to that? And what we're seeing just now is like nothing yet. It just starts going on the craziest of runs. These XRP pumps make you really rethink everything in life. They really make you rethink everything in life, man. Still, wait, lamp is still not working. Let me quickly go and check again on this lamp. Oh, camera broken also. We're okay. And this is for fun. Maybe you guys should lie a little bit. I don't know. But because otherwise we know your targets. At what point would you guys sell all your XRP at? Like not a little bit, but I'm talking all. Is there any point? For me, there is never a point. I can pumping. Don't bait me like that, guys. If you say pumping, I'm gonna check. If it's not pumping, you get banned. Uh-oh. Exchange broke. We're broken. Oh, guys, you're crashing my stream a bit. People are talking too much in the chat. Uh-oh. My computer cannot handle that. Oh, it's just $5,000 Apple computer. I should be able to handle a little bit of freaking traffic, but I should be able to handle like 10 Chrome tabs, but I guess. Okay. So, get it again. I want to see it when you guys are here, right? But let's see. Talk more? Are you angry or are you... Dusty, you live in Dubai? Yes, I do. I wouldn't sell. I'd use it. That's the point. That's a fair assessment. Slow mode on. Talking too much? No, I mean, sometimes it goes to... Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I don't even know how to say... You're telling, not telling that to me. What does that mean? Dusty, you can use your XRP as leverage for a loan. Okay, some of you guys are interesting people, man. XRP, its digital currency, its physical currency, will be issued on 4th of December. Wait, what? XRP physical currency? Hello, Dusty. Why is XRP pumping so much lately? Well, thank you for the question. About 2 hours ago, I made a whole video explaining why XRP is pumping. So if you're wondering, go back to that video, watch it, and that will explain everything that's happening right now. Because there's nothing specifically that changed with it. $265? Man, it just hit $2.68 though, huh? Let's get some predictions in. When all-time high? What date? The person that's right on the date. If you're right on the date and the time, I'll give you something. I'll do a giveaway. Right now you can get your predictions in. Tell me the exact day and like within the hour, but write your time zone there as well. So everybody do it in a UTC time zone. UTC time zone, write down the exact hour. The person that's right, maybe if it's multiple people, it doesn't matter, right? Whoever's right on the hour, I'll look back on the stream, see who's exactly right. Everybody who guessed more than once, you're only going to count once. The first guess is the one you're getting in. No, you got to, guys, you're just putting a number. No. The number doesn't matter. Put the exact date in the UTC time zone with the hour. If you do PST by accident, it's fine. I'll recalculate it. It's okay. The person that's right on the hour, I'll probably give you guys a giveaway if I do not forget about this. But you guys can remember me if you were right. All right, so let's give this about 30 seconds to get people's predictions in. Everybody who's just guessing a number, I'm not sure why you're doing that. I'm literally not sure where this is coming from. I just literally said, when are we going to hit all-time high? You guys are saying $2.70, $2.70. I'm not sure if I said so. Oh, you mean the price? Wait, what? No. Oh, we're going crazy. Wait. I thought you guys were freaking stupid in the brain. I thought every single one of you was done. Whoa, we're going crazy. No, $2.70 per XRP. We're almost at $2.75. No way. $2.70. Man, what did we start the stream at? I really wonder. Whoa, this is insanity. Hey, let's do a little reality check, all right? I've asked it before, but how does one know if they're... 272, we're going, no stopping. The thing is, though, I think my target's going to reach here in any second. I mean, I had $2.75 as a target. Should I dump everything? No way! 272! This is not stopping. I just keep updating the stream numbers, by the way. Everybody in the chat, 273. Oh no, Dios mío. Everybody right now, lock those likes in. We have 3,000 people watching. If you right now watching this stream, press the like button. We're instantly at 854 likes. And that's all we need. So if just you right now watching this stream, press the like button, like right now, like this second, right? You're not going to get anything. I'm literally going to give you nothing for it. It's just a waste of your effort. It's going to go from you down below to click. Man, why would you do that? I don't know. Maybe you're happy with the XP price. Maybe you're happy in life. Maybe you're dissatisfied in life. At least you can make my day better. Start thinking about it, right? There's a lot of reasons to press it. There's not many reasons to not press it. So, I mean, if I were you, I'd press it probably, right? If I was you, that's all I'm saying. If I'm just telling you an honest story, I would press it probably. Maybe if I was feeling good or if I was feeling bad. Maybe you want to make my day better. Maybe you want to make your own day better by, sharing some love. Because ultimately, that's what we're doing in this chat. Everybody here is on the same freaking journey, man. As you've seen, again, let's for fun, let's ask, who here is holding XRP? You can see everybody's in the exact same situation. We're all holding the same currency. Us, one of us. It makes me feel like the freaking one of us. And I just start chanting like freaking gorilla, as a team, as a tribe almost. Man, we've been holding through the depths of we've been holding for so freaking, I almost feel like I broke my chair. We've been holding for so freaking long. Camera broke. The camera just has broken. There was too much fire in my voice. The camera knew that. We've been holding for so freaking long. And finally, after all these years, it is finally showing results at a $2.70 motherfreaking something XRP. By the way, that every single one of the streams I've done always gets restricted. No ads, no nothing. But I don't even curse, so I don't know. What am I saying? Is it me talking about freaking jumping off my bed? Maybe I shouldn't say that, right? Maybe it's me talking about all the crimes I'm going to commit because of the newfound money? Maybe. I don't know. Is that what made my streams demonetized? I don't know. Is it about all the war crimes I was talking? I don't know, man. I really don't know. Shout out to the Discord group. Big shout out to the people on the Discord that have been there through thick and thin, man. Is it too late to buy? Brother, where have you been all the last couple of weeks? I keep saying it's not actually that, again, right now you're buying like at one of the most important resistances again. But honest truth, like I keep saying, it's not that strange to just buy more and buy more and buy more and then just lower your way back down in terms of a DCA strategy. That's why I opened these new trades here. Where is that? Okay, I don't have the new trades open anymore. But that's why I opened those new trades as well. Boys and girls and ladies and gentlemen, we put $250 into this account. It's almost at $5,000 now. We put $250 in this account during a stream last week. It's almost at $5,000, which has been doing really, really well. This is all on Blowfin, which, by the way, every single one of you can join. There's a link down below. You can get yourself more rewards for trading more. Right now, you can even get yourself a freaking Tesla if you trade a lot, which some people will probably win, but there's only a few weeks left. Anyway, besides that, I'm also giving away $1,000 to one of y'all's. Oh, no, we're doing 5 winners. So I'm going to give $200 to 5 people. All you got to do is use the link down below and have at least $10 in your account. The reason I do that is otherwise too many people would be spamming it. So I put $10 as a minimum. I could also put $1,000 as a minimum, but I'm like, maybe it's kind of funny if somebody who's, it's not that fortunate wins something. We could also do only one winner of 1,000, but I always feel like it's better to do a few people. We can also do 20 people winning 50, but it's not that fun to win $50. It's really, really fun to win $200. Right? It's like, $50, nice. But $200? For a lot of people, that's, a couple days working, 1 or 2 days maybe. Somebody says, Rusty, calm down. Hey, brother, you can tell a lot of days on this green earth, you can tell me to calm down. All right? A lot of days, I'd be right there with you saying, yeah, you're right. Maybe you're right. Today, shut your ass up. All right? There's absolutely nothing you could tell me that's going to calm me down right now. There's literally nothing on this green earth you can tell me right now to make me shut up when we are seeing a $2.70 something XRP. It's been years. So I don't know what to tell you, but get back to your corner. Okay? I hope you were joking. If you were not, get back to your little crawly cage wherever you came from just now, right? And enjoy silence, because I'm not blasting any music. We're not listening to anything right now. It's just us and the XRP price. It's just a staring battle, right? It's like that little weird kid in the corner of the classroom that you kind of keep an eye on to make sure he's not going to blow. I shouldn't say that. Never mind. Let's keep the jokes to myself. Let's keep the jokes to myself. Sometimes, I forget on what platform we're streaming on. So maybe start saying some crazy thing. Somebody said mustard. Mustard. Nice. We need our anthem, bro. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, bro? And guys, I'm just joking. You can say all these mean things. I don't care. Man, you think I made 5,000 videos on this app. You guys don't need to tell me not to listen. We're just messing around. You could call me a dumbass. You can tell me to shut my bitches up. I don't care. It's all fine. You say whatever you want to say, all right? Nothing can hurt me, brothers. Don't worry about it. We're all good. We're just having jokes around here. That's why I keep saying I don't want to offend anybody when I say something, because maybe my humor is a bit too dark for some people. Maybe it is. But I hope people appreciate it, because we got 3,500 people in. So if it was really that bad, most people would have probably gone away already, I think. Somebody's just talking about Indiana all of a sudden. He wants the world to know. Indiana! Out of nowhere. It's like, hey, Indiana, by the way. We asked where everybody's from like half an hour ago. But I appreciate you, putting that energy in. You guys saying, look, coin market cap? Why? I mean, as long as we've not beat Ethereum yet. I'm going to screenshot this. Holy schmizzles. Let me post this. What did XP just hit? 275? 275, yes. 274.75, so 275. Man. Did somebody say Domino's? Okay. How many of you guys think $3 is next today? Because, I mean, we're up a lot, right? Even now at 275, I'm being honest with you. I'm going to show you guys real quick. Here, for example, our XRP position is in about almost 60K worth of profit. Let's sell a little bit. Let's sell like 300 XRP here. How much is that? A couple $100. Let's sell it. Why? Because I've got to prove to y'all that it's not stupid to sell sometimes, because you're cashing in profits. So here we just cashed at $1,200. Why do we do that at $2.71? Because it's pretty freaking high per XRP. I was happy with selling it at $1.40. Right now it's double that. So people keep saying, "No, Dusty, what are you doing?" Man, you just want to see other people fail. If you're angry at somebody cashing out profits, that is ridiculous. Then you're crazy, in my opinion. Again, I've never sold a single XRP in my ledger, right, on my cold storage. But a position, you have these positions to make more dollars on, right? If there's big volatility and prices start coming down, you're losing. So right now we turned $1,000 into $40,000. Can you blame it, brother? It's almost another watch that we can buy, right? We only need to double it once more, and then we can buy another watch. That would be pretty cool. What about sell half and keep half? Yeah, but I'm like, I'm not a little baby, I'm not a little whiny ass. So I can't sell half. That's just too much to sell here at these prices. Like, we're doing way too good for that. But with $1,000 here, we almost cashed out 20. I mean, we're still up 40,000, right? So it's like, it's still okay, but it could be more though. Somebody says, don't think of even selling any XRP until January 2025. The thing is, though, I'll open new positions. Like just now, we opened some new Cardano, HBAR, Dogecoin positions. I'll add more to those, and eventually they'll all be multi-$100,000 positions anyway. The problem was just here. The only one that was actually significant size right here is the Ethereum one with 75K. It's still small for my average trades, but it's because we did them all during these streams, right? But generally speaking, I think if we get some time to build these up, we're going to actually show, and this is going to be really funny, in a few weeks, I think if this keeps up, we'll actually have one of these trades that's up at least $1 or $2 million. You'll see it's going to be really funny, because I'm kind of putting it all out there right now, that if we had some more time, and I did streams a little bit earlier, we'd be up a couple $1 million already on this trade from the stream trades, not the normal trades, but the stream trades. You'll see, though. Just give it a few more months. You'll see. It's going to be crazy, because we expect the season to last for a while. Even XLM, I need to open another trade on right now, because, again, like you guys are saying, it's kind of being left behind. But soon enough, it will probably go for another crazy run. I mean, XLM probably will pump from 50 cents to like a few dollars over time. Right? But XRP really is just the king. This is literally something I've never seen before. Just this much craziness in the span of like a week or so. Nah, man, this is unprecedented territory. This is unprecedented. And again, guys, if you also want to trade, check out the link down below. This is where we are trading at right now. And our team is doing really, really well. I think if it updates, we are back in the number 1 position, though. I think our team should be number 1 again. But it might just take some little bit of time to update. See, we're number 2 right now. We got to get back the number 1 spot, though. I'm not sure who is carrying our team, but we got to get back to the number 1 spot. You see why that is? Because some of the boys are in 4,000% worth of profit. Some of you guys here, you're real G's. Look at that, huh? Man. But we need to up those numbers a little bit, man. Number 1 is all I will accept, because my army here on Blowfin at least is XRP traders. We're number 2 in the world right now with our team. We need to get to number 1. That's all I'm saying right now, right? And that's why I'm giving out $1,000 as well. Hopefully some more people will join that know what they're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you might just take our P&L down, all right? I don't want you guys to lose money. Know what you're doing, then join in also on the fun. Oh, man. H-bar is going crazy, guys. H-bar is up 20. It's up 45% today. It's at 28 cents. Oh, my days. What? What? No way, man. Man, I'm gonna... Who here is holding H-bar? How many of you guys? How many? Let's see. Because a lot of people probably only hold XRP. That's all cool, though. I just want to know. Who's holding H-bar? You sound Jamaican. No, I don't. I don't think so. I got some. Me. Let's see. Is there really no's? There's not really many no's. And there's 1 no. So there. No. 2. I mean, out of like almost 4,000 people. No, there. Okay, so 3. Let's just say that there's an overwhelming majority of people that actually hold H-bar. I see a couple of no's. Another no. No, you don't. I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. No. I did, but only a small amount. I mean, a small amount is still holding. No, no, no. Okay, so I'm going to say about 85% of the people say yes. There's a small, perhaps it's the vocal majority that's saying yes, and a silent minority. So I kind of feel bad. Oh, we just continue on. We're still pumping an H-bar. So I'm quickly showing you guys H-bar because XRP has sustained the pump a little bit. It's waiting a little second for a reload. Then again, I'm happy to sell at 275. Being real with you. And not everything, right? I'm talking about my short-term stash, like the trades that I've shown you here. Just sell a bit and buy back cheaper again, hopefully. We can sell a little bit just to prove the point. And the reason I keep doing this, guys, is not... I mean, that's fine, but it's kind of too low. I should put another one at like 4. If we go back there, sell another like 600 or something. If we go back to 74, sell a little bit now at It's still ridiculous, actually. It's still almost $60,000 in the profit, by the way, on just like $2,000, so it's not bad. With 30 extra money with XRP this month. Wow, huh? Crazy, crazy, crazy. There we go. So why am I cashing out? Because I got to prove to people one more thing. I keep saying it. Every single person, if you're watching this right now and you've made life-changing amounts of gains, change your life. You might say, Dusty, but I think it's going to go higher. I don't give a crap what you're saying right now. I've seen too many people lose everything because they're either over-leveraged or because they just keep thinking it's going to go higher. It mostly does. And we have a whole season of gains left. Tim says, $2,000 made you $60,000. How? If you've just been watching the channel for a while, you'd know. Because a couple days ago, 2 weeks ago, I put $250 into an account, $250, and right now it's at $4,500 worth of profit. And this was a live stream of like a week or two ago. So if I'd put the $2,000 in, but I started deliberately, we started an account at just $250. Right now it's in $4,500 worth of profit. If we'd put $2,500 in, it'd be in $45,000 worth of profit in just 2 weeks. So, yeah. If you've been watching for a little bit, you would have seen it. What leverage? 10x. except for the ADA one, that's higher. I think ADA is 25, I think. Let me see. Cardano's at 25x, but we didn't put any money. This is, again, just in a video. I said, guys, I'm blasting the top for Cardano. Take a look. And I just did it with whatever I could click right there real quick. But now we're opening new trades. Okay, give me a second. I'll open the new account. So I just opened these trades all in a video yesterday. I made a video. I posted it to your channel saying, hey, guys, I'm buying the dip for every single one of these coins whenever we go down. So we opened 3 trades, right? Cardano, Doge, and 𝗓𝗂. And I would say, this is not financial advice, but just listen to what I say about these trades. We opened these yesterday. Right now, we're in about $1,000 in the plus, $200 in the minus. So I'm going to say about $800 up since yesterday. And I just put about $5,000 into this account. I opened another account with $10,000, but it was stuck for a little bit. So maybe I'll be able to find it. We have another $10,000 somewhere. Let me quickly see if I can find. I don't know which account it is. Never mind. We'll do it later. But I just put $5,000 in yesterday. We only opened trades for about $12,500 in total. The 𝗓𝗂 one was the smallest because it was actually kind of a fluke. I was like, you know what? Even though right now 𝗓𝗂 is at the top, I'll show you. Oh, no, sorry. It was because we wanted to put multiple orders, I think, for 𝗓𝗂. Maybe we didn't even do that yet. Anyway, but it came down to our buy target. You can see 𝗓𝗂, we bought it right here. This 𝗓𝗂 trade, by the way, that's like my most beautiful trade I've taken in a long time. The price was at $2 this year, 21 cents, whatever. And during that video, I said, man, if it comes back down right there, I'll buy. It came right back down, and look at how beautifully it went up. It's really, really beautiful. We've had a couple of good hits here, actually. So at $2.50, for example, with XRP here, this peak right there, we also said, man, you should actually sell here and buy back cheaper. And it went right back down to our buy zone, which was everything $2.30 and below, basically, or $3 like 26 and below. And then afterwards, it just shot right back up. And then I said $2.75 is a very important target to sell at if you want to. And you could have now sold at $2.75, bought back at $2.70 for just a quick little profit, as an example. Triple says, because again, I'm not trying to be your financial advisor, nor am I claiming to be the freaking demon and everything. I'm just saying these are our tactics, and they work quite well. Not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. 777 says 2025 XRP at $10 plus. Say yes if you agree. Who agrees that in the next 1 year we'll see a $10 plus XRP? I wonder if everybody agrees or if it's the minority or the majority. Because it is a pretty high target, right? $10 in XRP in the next year. But I think it's kind of low, being honest with you. Hey, boys, by the way, and ladies and gentlemen, actually everybody, right? I got to keep saying that. If you're not yet subscribed, you might want to put that notification bell on so you're always notified whenever something crazy happens. As you guys noticed, it's 7 p.m., I'm streaming. It's 1 a.m., I'm streaming. It's 4 a.m., I'm streaming. It's 8 a.m., I don't care what time it is. If I get an alert because something crazy is happening, I always open up a stream. All right, I might be butt-ass naked, and I'll stream for, okay, I'll put some, I'll put some lotion on at least, but I'll be streaming right here. So you guys can see whatever's going on, and we can react to it together. Because for me, this is the most fun thing we can have. A full-on chat with all the chat in there, all right? In my opinion, though, $10 an XRP is way too freaking low, especially at the pace at which things are going. My targets have increased significantly. And I know we should not inflate our targets too much, but now I'm thinking, man, even $19 in XRP doesn't sound that high, right? Sounds very, very feasible in a short amount of time. XRP is above 150 billion market cap, by the way. 150 billion. Look at the numbers. Somebody says, any advice for X amount of XRP and X amount of 𝗓𝗂? I have no advice. I'm not financial advice. If you're asking for my thoughts, then what is your question, really? You're asking advice for amounts of cryptocurrencies. Well, I can say happy for you, man. I'm happy you're holding that much in crypto. Good. Jason says, that would mean Bitcoin would have to go to 500,000 at least. I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to 500,000 this cycle. I honestly hope 250,000 plus, so about a 2.5x. But no, I don't think that's necessarily true for a $10 or $20 XRP. I mean, if we go about half of the previous high, right? So I'm going to say about 300% from the beginning of the month. About 3.5x or so for XRP currently, or that would be at around, whatever, 663. From current levels, that would be, let's just see. Let's just say 663-ish. So the highest point is 14. So let's just say it goes to 7. So about a 1.5x from here, going from $2. Let's calculate this professionally. Calculate 2.7 times 1.5. So that would be about $4 in XRP at the current Bitcoin price to go half of the previous close, which I think is going to do more. So let's just say it's going to do slightly more and not go back to the old highest points, which is, again, from here about at 8x, just what Bitcoin staying similar. but just going to do about a 3x from here. So that would be 2.7 times 3 is about $8.01. If Bitcoin then triples from here, that would be 3 times for the XP price as well, which means $24 in XRP. ADA pumping. Let's take a look. So our ADA trade is doing pretty good here. The old ADA trade is still in about 1,900% profit, but we only put $80 in. It's right now in about $1,600 for the profit. Not too bad. And yeah, so with Doge, for example, now that we're going down lower, we should be buying more to get our average price lower. But it's not low enough, and I missed the entry at 40 cents because I didn't set up my targets or my orders correctly. But ADA is doing really, really well here, guys. Yes, you guys are right. ADA is surging. What price is it at right now? Wait, what? Cardano's at $1.20. What? $1.20 per Cardano. Holy smokes. $1.21. How many of you guys are holding Cardano in this chat? Do you mean I should check out XLM, or you guys? You want me to open an XLM trade now as well? I'll do that. No, it's already up. No, it's already pumping. You guys baited me. No, it's already going up. I was gonna enter at 54 just now. If it was still at 54, I would have. Man, you know what? Should open a small XLM trade to prove the point. Let's do it. This is way too high, by the way. Don't follow me. Please don't copy what I'm doing. I'm a stupid guy. I want to prove a point. But yeah, we'll try to buy when it's back down. This is stupid, but we're just buying anyway because I kind of don't care. If it goes down lower, we're going to buy something, right? Let's hope it goes back to about 50 something cents. Let's go and put an order here at 51. Let's go buy. We just bought ourselves 2,000. Let's go buy another 4,000 or so XLM. Maybe 5,000. We'll buy 5,000 XLM if it gets to about 51 cents. We'll buy. I just opened something so we can kind of measure. This is the moment that we saw XLM. We put $100 in. Let's see it, right? Let's see it go from here. Let's see it make some moves. Why? Because I know over time we'll be able to flip it into profit anyway. Right now, for example, I could sell the H bar, sell the ADA, and continue on with these positions and just keep it up. Again, this is my strategy. It works in bull markets. You can call me a dumbass, but hey, that's what I do. Minus is a stupid guy with no liquidation price. No, I have no liquidation price because I have enough money to keep buying the dip. So that's why I said, you see, I have $5,000 in the account. I can put another, whatever, I could put another amount of money inside so I don't get my trades liquidated because there's not enough money to get liquidated. That's the whole goal. Right now, 6% profit. Let's see, 4 hours. So XLM-wise, if you're buying right now, we're basically blasting the top as well. We've said this before. With Cardano, etc., it's worked. Then again, XLM has actually made a interesting structure here. There's not really too much to say. XLM right now is zooting though at 57 cents. So whoever just now was whining about it, did you buy at just 50 cents in XLM just the last few hours? Because right now you'd be up a pretty good penny if you did. It's up 16% in the last like seconds. It literally in the last 4 hours just went up like 15%. So whoever was just able to buy that dip, you are a very lucky son of a gun. We're up 13% on our trade, which is only $15. I kind of want to ape in more. But I kind of feel as if, you know what? Should I just do it? We'll ape in more. Why not? We'll ape in more. It's only $250 still that we put in, so it's still nothing. But if it goes on a crazy breakout right now, at least we have some fun watching XLM. This is not wise. Please do not follow me. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a degenerate opening more trades now because it's too fun to watch. This is not something I want you guys to copy at all. We're just having fun as of this point. There's no deeper thought going into me buying XLM right now. We're buying it with $250 just for fun. Let's see what happens. We actually could now sell for $35 if we want to, but I kind of don't. And by the way, if you also want to trade like we did here on XRP, on Bluefin, you can use it from anywhere in the world. Link is down below. Right now, we're also doing a $1,000 giveaway to some of the people that joined. Link is down below, but I'll also put it in the description. Right? Give me it's in the description somewhere. But I also put it in the chat. I'll pin it in the chat. What pair should we watch? Hey, do you guys have anything? What should we be buying right now? Who's thinking we should buy something? What should we buy? Property says, talk about your entries. Brother, it is the craziest of bull markets. Entries are not as relevant anymore because every single day we look back, everything's pumping. So when it comes to Bitcoin, think about your entries properly. If you're thinking of all these utility coins right now, the run is so wild that whatever entry you've gotten over the last few weeks has all been fine. And I think as well, since the run right now is in a really good spot, then as long as Bitcoin doesn't kick the bucket, because Bitcoin right now is back up, just now it's 95, right? Right now it's almost 97. If Bitcoin right now keeps pushing this, I hope it doesn't go past $100,000. I really, really don't. I really hope it's not, because then a lot of money goes back into Bitcoin. If it stays around these levels, then right now we can have such a good time on utility coins, as they'll most likely just keep on pushing. Then again, 275 is a big barrier for me for XRP. I've said it for a while. That's the most important barrier we'll find, like literally ever, actually. And that's also where we just now back down. Right now we're back to 268. But again, you could have sold 275, try to buy back in, which we could do also, but I'm kind of too busy here. With what? I don't know. XLM trades, as we open it just now, 20% in the profit. So anybody who took it with me, because you guys are all degenerates, you're in 20%. If you want, cash out your 20% profit and enjoy life. But yeah, I don't know. What am I going to do with 40 bucks, right? Somebody says short XRP. I don't do shorting in bull markets. H-bar, we already have a trade open. It's doing okay. We opened these trades during a video yesterday. This is during the stream today. And I think we'll just keep this up, right? Full long and everything, the whole bull market through. Every single day you guys look back. Soon you're going to see one trade with at least, I'm telling you guys right now, in a few weeks, maybe a month or two, depending on how Bitcoin looks, right? You'll see a trade that has at least $1 or $2 million in profit. Because it's going to be so fun. If I look back at the 2021 run, it's so much fun to see those trades in multiple millions of dollars worth of profit, which you can lose quickly, by the way, if the market turns around. I've had some of the worst days of my life back in 2021, but it's going to be funny. Somebody says bull trap being set. Yes, we can get trapped here. Do I care? No. I'll just buy the freaking dip. Most important thing, I keep reminding you guys, the reason I say don't follow me is because we're buying at 400%, 500% up in a month. You're buying at the absolute highest prices in many, many years. This is where people sometimes get wrecked hard because they don't have proper money management. The reason I'm buying it with very small amounts is because right now, right, I can buy up all this to make sure at the end of the day I don't get liquidated and that I just keep adding. Right now it's like $2,000, $5,000, $2,000, $5,000. These I could just add, if we go down lower, to all about $100,000 each trade. And then worst case, I have to add, what, $300,000 worth of margin? In the worst case, if we fall like 80% from here, and then the moment we start going back up, I'll make a couple $100,000. You'll see it's going to be really, really funny. But that's the worst case. But that's, again, I keep telling you guys, these trades right here, this Bitcoin trade was in a couple $1,000s, maybe $20,000 worth of loss. Back then it was $100,000, $120,000 worth of trade. This XP trade was in $2,000 worth of a loss because it's a very small trade. But it was also big before. The Ethereum position, which you can't see right now, was also, you can't see it right now, was also in a $25,000 loss. And right now it's up like 15,000 or so, I think. So just know, I'm fine with holding for a long time. Where are you trading? Again, I keep saying this on Bluefin. You can find the link down below. I think you can use this from anywhere in the world if you're interested in it. You know the amount of people texting me right now about the XRP price? It's kind of funny. Because a lot of people are just so surprised that it did so well. And I've been telling everybody at every event I've gone to that XRP is about to go crazy. But so many people never believed, huh? And now who's laughing? That's what I keep saying. Now who's laughing, huh? The XRP community is laughing. The XRP community is laughing. Then again, if you're in life changing amounts of profit, take some profit is all I'll say about this. This is the most important thing in life that I can tell you. If you are in life changing sums of profit, right now you put $250 in with me. and you can see the $4,500 in profit, and this can change your life, take it. Maybe don't take everything. Maybe you keep a little moon back, but take it because you never know where it's going to be tomorrow. And I have to keep repeating this because some people say, no, Dusty, you should keep longing. Take profit whenever you feel uncomfortable or it's too much. For me, if this goes back to minus $8,000 right now, even though we're 5,000 plus, I'm going to be fine. But some people won't. They're going to get scared. They're going to feel bad. If that's you and you're afraid of a bull trap because you're not going to be able to handle minus $20,000, then get away. Sell some. But I don't care. Even if this goes minus $250,000, I'll be here chilling. We'll upload another stream. Here's why I'm buying another crazy amount of XRP in the freaking dip. Because I've been through it all. I've been through way, way, way worse. This is all easy to me. Some people say, how do you say a bull trap coming? Well, I mean, some easy identifiers of a bull trap is, a 450% up in a month, 100% up in a week. The fact that it's pumping 40% in a day after all that makes us think there might be a little trap going on. So it's just a simple deduction, right? A simple deduction of, well, it's up a couple 100% in a month, 100% in a week, 50% in a day, 20% in an hour. Maybe it's going to start correcting from here. And then especially because a major psychological barrier, 275, was hit, it does make sense. But then again, we've been proven wrong time after time again with XRP, so I'm not going to be the one to tell you. But I'm saying $2.75, nice little point to cash them out and try to buy back cheaper because it's my most important psychological barrier. And so $2.75 is a good target to have for the short term. XRP crashing. But this is also what happened last night. I went to bed with XRP at $2.50 and I said, guys, sell. And then I went to bed. It was $3.35. So this is where I was streaming also. We went to bed when it was like a few hours afterward. Maybe like right here, $2.31. I was like, oh, what am I going to wake up to tomorrow? And I just woke up at exactly like $2.34 or whatever. And then I went down a little bit. I got a little bit like, oh, you see, I can buy now. But it didn't go exactly to where I expected it to go. I expected it to go slightly below 220 actually. I wanted to buy $2.18, which I didn't get to. And then we shot back up to $2.75. Right now, again, I keep saying, guys, sell $2.75. And then right now it's back to $2.64. But again, perhaps we're just going to have the same squeeze that we had just here, where people get faked out, thinking it's a trap, and then we just go higher and higher and higher. Somebody says we all need to buy the next big correction. No, brothers. I want to say we are always together, right? But not really. Just know that... Wait, you guys saying Brad just tweeted? What happened? Let's see. Is this... I'm just joking. Yeah, that is an interesting situation. Nah, him tweeting, I think, is just because he's also kind of surprised. I'm not sure how much of this Ripple knows. Stacker says, I love the 1 minute time frame. This is proper degen. Yes. Yes, it is. So the Doge we actually just bought. If we just more religiously bought the dip just now. Again, guys, I was just logged out, which is why I could not buy the 40-cent dip. I tried to buy 41 and it went wrong with my account. So we got some issues there. Unfortunate. But it's back to our zone of interest for Dogecoin, that is. On the other trades right now, I have to refresh accounts because I'm trading on 2 accounts right now. Kind of annoying. XRP right back at 267 though. You see, every single time it dips up, it just scoops right back up to the highs. Every single time, like clockwork. Man. It's just absolutely ridiculous though, huh? Look at ADA. I'll take a look. Guys, again, I'm going to ask once more. If you're watching this right now, we have about 3,600 people watching. We've had about 20,000 people stop by and say hi. Make sure you press that like button right now. You've got nothing to lose. You've only got to gain. What will you gain? You'll gain riches. You'll get millions of dollars deposited in your bank by pressing that like button. How? I don't know. But I'll be praying for you to get that. I'm not going to give you anything. $0, by the way, from my side. But I hope you'll become rich. That's all I can give you, all right? You'll be getting crazy sums of money in your bank. through mysterious ways that nobody can explain. Just by pressing the like button. It can happen. Yeah, again, I'm not going to do it, but maybe you yourself will. Anyway, let's see here. If you had to name your biggest bag, which one would it be? XRP, ADA, HBAR. I keep saying you guys say all these numbers. Somebody says, I wake up when you shout. Brother, it is 7 p.m. What do you mean you wake up? You sleeping in the day? You sleeping in the day job? Look up who this man is. Get him fired. He's sleeping in the job, right? It's Monday. Don't be sleeping, brother. Wake your ass up. Get back to work, right? Get back to mining. I'm not sure what you do. Maybe you're actually a sport teacher, and you shouldn't be sleeping regardless. Let's see. We've got a lot of different coins today. Okay, I actually expected for most people their biggest bag to be XRP, but it's not really true. That is interesting. Okay, so the coin distribution is significantly different than what I would have expected from the people. Boys, we're back on the up and up, ladies and gentlemen. Again, predictions in. Who thinks $3 in XRP today? I want to see who's right, who's wrong. All the people that are right, you guys get a little kiss on the cheek. All right, not from me, but probably from like another dude somewhere. All right, you could probably go on like a website and get one if you want. Everybody who's wrong, penalty. All right. You guys all get punished. Not by me once more. I'm neutral like that. We need more jet fuel. Yeah. I mean, at $2.70 in XRP though, I mean, I'm already really completely just confused, just shocked with what we're seeing right now. These are insane prices. $3 today, huh? Okay, that's the consensus. Most people think so. I mean, last time I went to bed after it falling down from 250 to 220 or 230 something, and right now we're seeing it go from 275 to 260. I mean, I'm not going to exclude anything. I mean, some of you guys have probably already thought of what you're going to buy if XRP hits like 20 bucks, huh? And by the way, in no way, shape, or form am I guaranteeing any price results. All we're doing is being dumb and buying the freaking top because it's a bull market and we think it's going to go higher. But $2.75 is a pretty good cash out target, like I just said. I will keep repeating that because some people never know how to sell. Dusty, how much are you up on XRP? Well, probably the same. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna check my portfolio today. Let's see. We are up today, 17% on the portfolio. It hit the highest value again like an hour ago. This week, I'm up. Let's see. This month, my portfolio is up 135%. So it's quite good. It's the best month in my life, except for 2021, I guess, but that's different. Are you running 2 Rolexes? No. The real knowers know. We got 2 different ones. One is a Royal Oak, and one is a Day-Date. They're vastly different, actually. I mean, some people still don't know, but they're quite... Oh. You see how different the bracelet looks? Why are we wearing 2? Why not? I mean, at an XRP price of like $2.70 a coin, might as... It feels like throwing up a nice little song of sorts, like, you know, like a I don't know. I feel like throwing up something, but I don't want to hear any sound. I just want to hear my own voice, my own thoughts, and just my depression. Not actually depressed, by the way. Wait a minute. Are you still holding VeChain? Yeah. But VeChain, I don't know, man. I talked to one of the VeChain co-founders, and he kind of made me bearish. I'm not going to lie to you. I think VeChain will do well based on hype alone, but the product is kind of medium. If we're talking longevity, I kind of think the other utility coins are in a better position, if I'm being honest with you. Like XRP, I don't know, man. It just feels like it's in a better spot. XLM is not having the same fun as XRP is, though. Some of you guys are saying Flare. I have Flare, but I don't know. How did a co-founder make you feel bearish? Yeah, you should go have a talk with them about Flare and about VeChain, and you realize, what do they saw? I mean, anyway. Doesn't matter. I have a lot of VeChain. I'm not selling it until it's go, because I do believe it's going to go well. Like, VeChain is one of those coins in the old generation with XRP, Cardano, 𝗕𝗫𝗀, all of them. So there's a good chance it'll do good. But if I'm talking about the coin itself, is it really that amazing? Debatable. Then again, it's not like product really matters that much for these coins. I'm just looking through now to see if there's anything crazy in terms of news going on for any of our favorite coins. Nothing really. Like, honest truth, there's nothing really crazy in terms of our news. It mostly just seems to be like hype alone that's pumping our freaking bags to the moon right now. It really seems to be mostly that. It seems to be mostly just excitement. Game says, if it breaks like 275 today, do you think $3 easy? I mean, as at that point, if it breaks 275, then literally I'm going to just go outside and start shaking my ass in the street or whatever. Oh, wait, camera's broken. Let's be real here. 275 broken? What else is there to watch out for, right? Like, serious talk. I mean, then all we got to watch for is Bitcoin making a break. But then the next target is $3.30. If 275 is breached, it's all-time high time. Like, there's nothing stopping anymore. It's just, we're going straight to all-time high, maybe. And that is scary to me, because then maybe things start super cycling so fast that this bull run is going to end quicker, or what? Grace says, will it go to $3 today? If only we had a crystal ball, but none of us have. I have some orange juice, though. H-bar pump. Yeah, H-bar's doing really good. So yesterday we put a couple $100 in, $250 in. Right now we're up 1,000 in a day. So that's pretty good. Back at 29 cents. Definitely not too bad, ladies and gentlemen. Don't imagine do what you can. Why do you don't like XDC? I have a lot of XDC, but it's not doing as much on the short term. I mean, actually, for almost any of the projects I've talked to the team, XDC is like really ambitious, etc. But they're slightly slower when it comes to things. They're less. Yeah. I don't know, man. If you're thinking from a broader perspective, I kind of feel as if XDC, they're not doing as much. They're still doing good though, but just, I don't know. I feel as if I had to choose between XRP and XDC, I'd choose XRP all the time. But some of my friends, they're building some of the biggest things on XDC. I mean, it's Brad calling. Oh, you guys heard that? We're back at $2.70 in XRP, ladies and gents. So again, if you sold $2.75 and then bought back cheaper, it would have been a pretty good trade, huh? And right now it seems XRP is just right back at it. It just keeps on going. People ask me, how do you trade on Blowfin? Do you use spot or futures? I use futures because spot is just buying it and this is leverage positions. But again, if you don't know what you're doing, take some time to learn. Don't FOMO in. You don't want to lose money. Check 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀 in the Nebraska bank. I don't hold any 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀. I don't know what the Nebraska bank is. You just mean literally a bank? I don't know. Somebody says XYO. What's going on? Somebody says 5K. I'm happy. I'll buy a new car. Happy to hear that, brother. Why'd you choose 275 to sell? I'll explain. So I just told you guys what numbers are interesting to look at for interesting. Sometimes it's too easy, man. It really is. Things are too predictable. This it's too predictable. Anyway, so here we just said this is where it's going to top out at the previous highest weekly close. Most likely have some sort of resistance there, and then most likely soon enough breakthrough. Is XRP falling? You decide. Look at XLM. All right, we'll look back. I mean, XLM is doing okay, but not since we bought in. We should have bought the bottom, huh? But we were slightly too late. 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀 will be a bank in Nebraska. All right, all right. I have no 𝗕𝗪𝗀𝗀𝗀. I don't even know what the ticker is. I guess, but I don't know. So, well, nice. I'm happy for you, brother. SUI price, what do you think about it? And when SUI went to like $3.68, I said, man, I kind of think SUI is topping out and things like Aptos are going to start running. Because I just thought that SUI went too quickly, too fast, or too high too quickly, right? Oh, 1 second. 1 second, I'm going to grab this food real quick. You better do what you can. All right. A lot of questions in the chat. Do you have a video on trading without liquidation price? It's just about having enough money in your account. It's literally that simple. It's that simple. There's no crazy explanation. So again, I put 5K in the account, and I made sure the sizes of these trades are not that big. But theoretically speaking, these will actually have a liquidation price if they all start falling. Because at some point, then they're going to take a more and more margin. Because you could fill one of them with 5K, but not all of them, right? So if they fall like 75% or whatever in total value, well then that would be 750%, by the way, in our trades. It just means 75 in actual price. So this is minus 750%. Then yeah, we might have an issue, but I could just deposit more money. So. And again, the idea is going to be to keep buying lower and lower to get myself a lower average price. And then once it swings back upwards, we'll make billions. I'm not joking, guys. This literally, what you're seeing right here, this account, 5,000, I think is going to be at $1 million in a month or two if things go right. If we keep pumping like we're doing right now, you'll see even way crazier numbers within a month. But if we start coming back down, obviously it might take a little bit longer. But I'm just going to prove to you guys that it's not impossible. It's going to be easier if we flip 50K to $1 million, but I want to kind of see if we can do it with 5K. At least we got to whip it into 100K in the next few weeks or months. And again, I'm not saying follow me. I'm just saying this is what I'm going to do. And maybe we lose everything because we're stupid. Maybe we're not. But I think it's going to work. Let's see. X will be playing games, huh? Coins to buy right now. Well, I mean, coins to buy right now. It depends on how long of a breath you have. If you're thinking of buying for the longer term, then you can literally just close your eyes and buy a lot of coins that haven't gone on a crazy run. Now, the count that is, I think you can literally buy almost anything right now in terms of where the market is at. It's almost hard to fail. Not financial advice. Is 𝗕𝗫 still worth buying? People always ask me this during the stream when prices are up ridiculous numbers. 𝗕𝗫 is up 47% in a day, 10% in an hour, and now you want to start buying. Anyway, so yeah, I think it's still worth buying, but it is kind of stupid. Like let's real talk, right? Is that demo mode you showing? Really, guys? Are we really thinking this lowly of me right now that I'm using a demo mode? Really, guys? Oh no, this guy thinks I'm broke. Oh no. I've been joking around too much. No. Oh no, this is sad. Oh no. Anyway, you just make of that whatever you think, my brother. I'll let your imagination speak for this one. Oh no. Hussein says, funny. You can buy anything you want right now. Very cautious, not financial advice. I mean, at the end of the day, nobody knows where the pumping. Definitely a demo to promote FOMO. Some of you guys, I'm not sure if you guys are joking though. Like real talk, I'm not so sure if anybody actually thinks it is or if they're joking. You and some of your viewers took profit too soon. I'm very happy to do that, man. Okay, yeah. If you guys want the truth, demo account. By the way, green screen indeed. Actually, for any of you that do not know, I live in my mom's basement. This right here, the reason I never go back here is because otherwise I touch the green screen, right? And sometimes we have the freaking curtains, I don't even know the English word, open. We keep it closed right now because the background is not loaded in yet. I have my 3D guys render it in. So that's the main reason. I actually still live in my mom's basement, if you guys were wondering. We're pumping, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Dusty, can I use my XRP for my wallet to use as future ready on Blowfin? I'm not sure what ready means, but somebody just says 50x longed. Oh no, we have a maniac in our midst. 50x long, that is crazy. So the reason I'm saying 50x long is crazy is because that is where things go too fast. Right? If the price moves up 2%, you're somebody says can't use Blowfin in New York City. Well, good trading. Blow, if you live in New York City, you're in literally the worst crypto place in the absolute world. You know that? But if you use a VPN, you can still use it just fine. But just know you're in the absolute. Oh no. I think you're joking. Somebody says in 125x long. I sincerely hope from the bottom of my heart that is a joke. If it's not, No, 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 no. Somebody, this guy, you cannot be truthful. He did not open a 150x long. No, 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 no. Sam says, I also have 2 trades with 75x on Bybit. Okay. Some of you guys are special human beings, man. Tanner says 50x, it's 52. Really? Crazy, man. That is wild. Can you tell me your opinion on Sui? I think Sui is a bit overvalued, but there's a good meme season starting on Sui, so it could be kind of nice too. Don't want to show that. Please never put the amount of XRP you're holding. But he says, I guess I'm a true degenerate. I only do 50x, and I'm up a lot in the last few. Oh, he says I'm up. Okay, I can say that. I'm up 65K in the last 2 days. That's pretty good. That's not too bad, brother. In 2 days, huh? That's definitely, you're probably feeling good the last few days then. I only do 50. What has this come to? That I hear only and 50x in the same sentence. Oh, gonna cause bro to crash out. Oh no, brothers. I think some of you guys are capping here with your 200x. Tell me your favorite coin. Give me an answer, bro. You demanding stuff now? Hey, take it easy, little bro. Take it easy, little bro. Full degen or go home. Fair enough. Could 100 XRP, could just $100 in XRP could make me rich? Of course, brother. This will be worth billions. Thanks for the 2 rupees. All right. Thank you, brother. Amazing. No, what is R dollars? Oh, yuan. Wait, what? What does R dollars mean? Not sure what that's supposed to mean. I'll give you a little like right there. Bro, you good? H-bar? Yeah, H-bar is doing really, really good. We had a perfect buy just yesterday. It's doing well. This is so funny. This guy, I think it's a troll, but he says, my dude, literally just watched your video shitting on XRP. Hard to take this seriously. I think you've missed the other 3,000 videos I've made on XRP. If I was so bearish on it, why would it be my biggest hold, and why would I have made 3,000 videos on it? I don't know, man. But I think I'm not sure, but I think you're trolling me. And if you're not, you're really as dumb as, I don't want to even insult you. But at that point, you're a banana. Let's just say it like that. You must be a banana. Hey, Dusty, define rich. I don't know, man. Very difficult one. Check out this coin. The next 10x on base donation. I'll not do that. Vanner says Bybit is simple. All right, very nice, brother. Yeah, right. Says I put half my accounts in XRP, and HBAR last week because of your videos. Oh, I'm happy for. Again, at the end of the day, it's all your own decisions, right? Because at the end of the day, I'm just saying what I'm doing, and if you're copying me, you kind of have a little bit cuckoo in the brain because I'm kind of crazy, so you must be also. But for some people, in a really, really good way, and we sometimes do really, really well, like just now. Like this message, I kind of don't want to show it because I don't want to expose you. But he just said, hey, Dusty, thank you so much. I became a millionaire when XP hit $2.50. Like, I'm very, very happy to hear that. But on the opposite side, you don't got to thank me. You got to thank yourself, brother. Because at the end of the day, you made the choice. You put the money in. It's all you. It's at the end of the day, all you. What about MATIC? Bro, MATIC? No, screw that. I still hold MATIC, but it's been the worst performer ever, man. Screw the Ethereum ecosystem right now. Man, Ethereum has been garbage. XRP says, is that right? That you give your TV for free, including shipping? Why does everybody keep going back on that TV? Why do people always want to get this TV of mine? I don't know what you have with this television. XRP's pumping. 273, boys and girls, we're back on a roll. Look at that, huh? We're going. For anybody that has not pressed the like button yet, we have about 3,000 people watching right now. We got about 2,000 likes. Make sure you press that button. You've got nothing to lose. I know you're afraid, but make sure you press it if you haven't done it yet. And if you're enjoying these daily crypto streams, sometimes for multiple hours a day, make sure you put the notification bell on so you never miss out on another one. Wait, what? What? I didn't even look. 278. Whoa! I looked at my phone for 1 second. No, I missed. $2. Hey, who wants that free television? Who just opened the 50x long on XRP? That brother needs a congratulations right there. $2.78 per XRP. Let's freaking go. Let's get a little yeah going in the chat, everybody. Let's go, yeah. Woo, yeah. Let's freaking go. You can spam for a little bit. It's okay, man. I don't mind, all right? You're seeing prices this high. It's okay to get a little bit. Oh, no, we just keep on going. Never mind. You guys get no attention. 279. 279 has just been hit per XRP. $2.79. We're so close to an all-time high now. Now things are starting to get really, really interesting. And by the way, our strategy is freaking genius, man. Sell 275, buy back 263. Holy shit. Whoa. I kind of wanted to go slower, being honest with you, like real talk. Things are going way too good, right? Let's see the market. If this refreshes. Come on, refresh. It's not even refreshing. Oh, man. $2.78 per XRP. Chris says, this is literally nuts. H-burn XRP to the moon. I love 50x. No way you literally just did that, right? He just said he's up 50. He did a 50x, and no way. You real? You for real? By the way, you're not joking. You actually did a 50x. Like no joke. You actually opened a 50x position. $2.79. He says, I swear on my kids. All right. I don't know if you got kids, but hey, all right. Our $250, by the way, has almost 20x'd in the last 2 weeks. So that's pretty cool. Somebody says, I got 10 XRP now. I have 128. Okay, the numbers are not that crazy yet, but hey, appreciate you for saying some nice words. I swear on my kids. All right. I'll believe you. Holy smokes, dude. $2.80 per XRP. No way. Next resistance, $3. Literally $3 is next. Not the kids. Oh, we got to get his kids from him because he's lying? What do you think? Why do you say not the kids? And Doge is doing back good. These trades are all doing no good. Let's go back to our old account because this is the new account we opened yesterday. We're already up about 1,200 in a day. But let's go back to my main account. Give it a second. Let's see here. So the XRP trade is now in, I think, 60K worth of profit, I think. Let's see. Yeah, so about 40 plus 21, so about 60K worth of profit in the last few weeks. So that's pretty good. It's not too bad on just $1,000, huh? So that's definitely not too bad. We 40x'd our money. That's pretty cool. That's pretty ridiculous. 60 or like 50x on our money. Kyoto says, Kitio says, still stupidly easy trading opportunities up to at least $3 on XRP. I mean, as of this point, it's like literally the Wild West, right? We're going so incredibly fast. I just want to say congratulations to every single person right here. Wait, somebody says there's a troll? What happened? Shout out to my beautiful wife. Do you guys don't believe he has a wife? Or what do you mean troll? What's happening, guys? What's going on? Somebody says I'm literally shaking right now. Well, I mean, I understand that. By the way, I'll repeat it again because I always have to repeat this. If you are in life-changing sums of money right now, right, in profit, cash some out. Change your life. Even the co-founder of XRP said that yesterday. He said, somebody said, okay, he said, hey, I'm 12 years at Ripple and XRP moves into the number 3 position. Is that a coincidence? Somebody says, hey, don't forget to tell us when to take profits as I didn't last time. And then he responds saying, I wish I knew. Honestly, if most of your wealth is in cryptos, you really should take profit at any time you have life-changing amounts. You don't have to cash out everything, but cash out some profits, which is the whole concept of cashing out profits and changing your life because of life-changing amounts of money. And I keep saying it, XRP could go to $10 in the next months, but it could also go down to $1.20. Let's see. No way. Guys, if anybody has not pressed that like button yet, I'll actually hunt your family down. Like, there's no joke. We right now are seeing the absolute Okay, now I'm actually starting to sweat. No. No, this is not real. 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 No, 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 no. I feel like an Indian when I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no. Bo says, bro, didn't do my shout out. Shout out to you, bro. No, 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 no. Who's the person with the 50x long? Let's ask him for some money, bros. This guy must be in billions worth of profit right now. If he just, $2.80 per XRP. This feels like this. It just hit $2.84. $2.84 per XRP. No way we actually just saw that. No way we are actually, I'm too low. No way we are actually, no way, right? Are you guys seeing what no, we're pumping. We're doing no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey guys, if you're not subscribed yet, by the way, make sure you put that notification bell on and subscribe to the channel. Why not? No way. Hey, how do we do a reality check, everybody? How do I keep you guys sane? How do I keep myself sane? Are we all still in this chat? Who else here is loving this? Who else is having a good time right now? I am living in a simulation with the amount of profit that my portfolio is up right now. This cannot be real life. Again, it's not... He is literally pooping in excitement. This is our bro with the 50x long. That is crazy. Big shout out to Chris right here. Guys, let's give him a little clap. A little clap to Chris with the 50x long. That is insanity right now. We got looking around, becoming a supporter. That is cool, right? We don't have that many. Oh, man. You all deserve some congratulations for holding this long. Somebody says if you don't sell, you don't have any profit. I will keep reminding people that it's always okay to sell. I would not sell everything because I'm too afraid of it going to the moon. But even if I were to sell, I'd buy back cheaper again. Or I just think about it in dollar terms and try to buy back. I'm not selling my whole long-term stash. But right now, you guys got to understand that this, boys, we're going further. We are at 287. No, 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 287, 287, 287, 287, 286 right now per XRP. No, 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 this cannot be real. I'm about to start crashing out. I'm about to do something crazy. I don't even know what to tell y'all anymore. Everybody, if you've not pressed that like button yet, make sure you press that like button right now. I'm not sure how many viewers we got. Oh, camera's broken, I think. I'm not sure if it is. We're almost at 5,000 people watching. Make sure you press that like button right now if you haven't done it yet. You've got nothing to lose, only to gain. Just like the XRP price that only goes up, never down. Okay, it can't come down at some point, but damn, right? Damn. Damn. And by the way, if you also want to trade like we're doing right now on Bybit or Blowfin, whatever, if you want to copy along, I mean, not literally copy, but if you want to also trade like we're doing on these platforms, you might want to check out Blowfin. I've left the link down below. If you want to win $1,000, right now I'm hosting a $1,000 giveaway for y'all. I just said we got to give away some money, you know. On Blowfin, everybody can make an account. If it's not working for you, use a VPN. I can't make it simpler than that. Places like Bybit, I'll also do a pretty big giveaway for soon. I'll either give you guys some free trades or do a 5K giveaway on Bybit. But Bybit you cannot use in a lot of countries. Blowfin you can use from anywhere in the world. Link is down below, like I was saying. Wow, huh? I don't think I've ever seen something this crazy though. I'm gonna poop my pants right now. You know what? I'm gonna go to the toilet and pee real quick. I'm gonna let loose some tingles. Guys, right now, we still good? My live stream crashed. Wait, live stream crashed? Shit. Am I still streaming? Am I still streaming? Am I still streaming? Let's check. Oh, okay, wait, we good? Okay, for me it says stream. Okay, we're good, boys. That's amazing, boys and girls. Everybody, right now, who's excited right here? Let's see some excitement in the chat. 13 cents away from the Dusty Pants Off party. Wait a minute, we didn't lock that. You know what? Let's get who's excited right here. Who's crazy excited right now? Let's see who's excited. Give me like 20 seconds. Baby, you's a window shopper, mad at me. I think I know why. Baby, you's a window shopper in the jewelry store, looking at things she can't buy. Baby, you's a window shopper, mad at me. I think I know why. Somebody says I want to sell. If you want to sell, you can always just sell, dude. There's nothing bad about that. Mad at me, I think I know why. Baby, use a window shop. XLM look. All right. If I look right now at XLM and it's not doing anything, you're getting banned, dude. Where's the XLM position at? Oh, we closed it? Okay, so I don't have it open anymore. Should I open the other account again to see XLM? You know what? I can just take a look. Is 5K live changing? Well, to some people it might be. To some people it's not. Oh, you are right. XLM is back above 60 cents. Wait, what? Oh, baby. Things are going crazy. What website do you use to trade crypto? I mean, I've answered that question a lot over on 𝗏𝗏𝗀 for the most part. Right now, I've still got some on Bybit. Most people can't use that, so we're also using 𝗏𝗏𝗀. Link is down below to 𝗏𝗏𝗀. Man, we are witnessing something that I've never seen before. I've never in my life seen prices move this fast in this crazy of a fashion. And it's a lot to take in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, by the way, but you are liking the news updates on XRP or all the other cryptos that we know and love, make sure you put that notification bell on because you've got nothing to lose. You're not going to lose anything from being subscribed, you know. You can always decide to ignore the video, but you can never turn back time. Sometimes I think people wish they were here earlier, but yeah, that's about it. Chris says, who would sell right now? All the higher time frames saying we're going to go way higher. Yes. But some people, they are going to change their lives right now with some gains. And I always am a big fan of that. I mean, yes, it looking like we're going to go way higher from here, right? But do you really want to risk it sometimes? I mean, to some extent, I think for many people, it's worth it to cash a good chunk out. Let's say they put $1,000 in right now, it's at $50,000. I know most people would change their life right now with $40,000. So they cash out 40, they keep 10 in right now to keep it going. And now they've got $10,000 to trade with, and they can try to flip that again into hopefully more. Now, at least they've changed their life forever with $40,000 cash injection, if you know what I mean. So that's why I sometimes say it's not bad to take some profits in. Yes, that 40,000 could have, or 50 could have gone to way more. And some of you are just like me, where you like to risk everything. But even I don't risk that much. James says, I put 30 in, now it's 230. Well, you're a freaking G, man. Yeah, I think a lot of people are doing really, really well today. I mean, with the $2.80 XRP, how can you not, right? Some people out there probably waiting for even higher prices. I get that also, but I mean, yeah, what can I tell you? Our team, by the way, I'm not sure. I think we're getting screwed over a bit because I think we should actually be at the number 1 position, but we're still at number 2 for some reason. Let's see if I refresh. Ah, there we go, boys! Ladies and gentlemen, I keep saying boys, but ladies and gentlemen, we are the number 1 team, the number 1 trading team in the world right now. Let's get a little clap going. We are the literal number 1 best performing team in the world on Blowfin, which is the crypto exchange that we're using. In the world, we beat Crypto Banter, we beat everybody. Sniper School, 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗏, all these guys. Screw them all. We are literally, right now, the best performing team on the entirety of Blowfin. Now, that is pretty cool. Now, that is pretty freaking cool, right? That means we're winning 12,500 for the team, which is pretty nice. I'm going to take a picture of that, man. I mean, come on. You got to be proud sometimes of the achievements of the freaking team, man. Look at that. And we beat Banter that has 70,000 people. We only have 800 people strong. And we beat them. We've still got some time, though, before the competition is over. But soon, if the total volume gets to 10 billion, the prize pool will almost be doubled. So instead of winning 12,000, we're winning like almost 20,000, I think. So that could be pretty cool for the team. How do we join the team? Just link down below to Blowfin. This is just like to show you some rewards. Right now, also, just use the link down below. You're automatically in our team, I think. And if you didn't use the link down below, just make a new account. And let's see here. There's also right now, I'm giving away $1,000 tomorrow, basically. Today's your last day to enter, I think. I think tomorrow I'll announce the giveaway, maybe 48 hours or something like that. But just check the link down below and join. And I'll give $1,000 because it's Cyber Monday. And I might up it to 2,000. You know what? Maybe I'll do it once more in a few days. If things keep going crazier, I might just give another few $1,000s away. Because, I mean, at the end of the day, we got to understand that these are some of the craziest times we're witnessing ever, right? What do you guys think about gravity? That's pretty cool. It depends on which gravity you mean. There's 2. Smokey says, Dusty, if XP reaches $5, host a yacht party in Dubai. No, we can host a yacht party right now. I mean, it's not a problem. It's not expensive. We can definitely do a yacht party any time of the week. I mean, I do go quite often, so that's not the point. It's just if a lot of you guys are coming over for some event, you know, if there's a cool event in Dubai, a lot of XRP community is coming over, I'll throw a party or 2. We can do something really, really cool. But then there need to be some people coming over. Because I think Dubai might be a kind of difficult place, as a lot of people are in America. Everybody, where are you watching this from? We got to decide what the best place would be if I want to throw some cool party or whatever. Buy or too late? Decide for yourself. I've explained my buying strategy, and from that perspective, it's never really too late. But Germany, Netherlands, Canada, Europe, Libya, that's a first. Denmark, bit of a noob. Bought in at $2 too, and end up about 4.4K. Would you bother taking profit at this point? No idea what to do. Any advice would be great. I'm not your financial advisor. Oh, I'm stuck. 1 second. I'm not your financial advisor. Ultimately, you only know what's best for you. If I was you, though, it depends on how much money I'd have, right? If I had, literally, all I had was $1,000, and all of a sudden I'm up $4,000, I know that would mean so much to me. So I'd probably cash out like $2,000 and maybe let the rest ride. So that way, if it goes back to wherever I started at, then it wouldn't really hurt too much. If you're a person like me, for example, where $5,000, $20,000, $500,000 is not going to change anything in your life, then I wouldn't cash out because, well, I mean, I'd cash out a bit of profit just to secure some, but I'd keep it going because you want some big bucks. You want to change your life, I guess. So then the answer would be no. If you're questioning, hey, should I sell some? That, you know, that might mean that it's not that much to you, because if it was, you probably would have sold and be like, oh, I made $5,000. So then my answer is, well, if you think this is going to ride further, which I do think, but hey, at the end of the day, nobody really knows for sure, right? It could go back down to $1.50 tomorrow. It's just honest truth. I'm not going to be a person to lie to you and say, no, we're going to keep going to $10 straight. I think we'll go to $10, but I'm never going to say it's straight. It might be a very negative period before we go back up. And if you can't handle that downside, if you're too afraid to see the downside, then it's very, very wise to sell some. But ultimately, nobody knows where it's going to be tomorrow, so it's all about your own mental capacity. Philippines, Australia, Malaysia, Washington State. Do you invest in gold? Yeah. I like to invest in a lot of different things, but mostly cryptos. Cryptos are good. Albania. Somaliland, Philippines. Someone said North Pole. Yeah, some person is a liar. Dusty, you have Verge. They recently received some approval, and they're about 0.1 right now, or 0.01. XVG has not been interesting in many, many years. After they announced their partnership with Braintree, what's the company behind the hub and stuff? I think it's Braintree. Papua New Guinea, really? Papua New Guinea, that's a first. Someone says Burj Khalifa. Oh, very nice. Philippines, North Korea. All right, we got another jokester here. No way, no H-bar? What do you mean no H-bar? The H-bar trade is not open. We have H-bar. We opened one yesterday, as a matter of fact. I will quickly open another H-bar trade on the side. Open the H-bar tab on the side here. Let me show you. Give me a second. I'll open up the H-bar trade so you can enjoy looking at the H-bar since you really desperately need H-bar attention. It's good. Let me show you. So, we put $5,000 into this account yesterday. H-bar is up $1,000 from the $250 we put in yesterday. So that's pretty good. I bought the freaking dip of the dip, huh? Look at that. That was a godly entry. Like literally, it's been a while since I've had an entry that beautiful. Bitcoin is falling ever so slightly. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, so Bitcoin right now, as of this point, is falling back down again. So perhaps that's also why our coins are not continuing to push through. Bitcoin is falling right back from the previous resistance, now turned into support. It just bounced off of 94.8, something along those lines. But right now is not continuing with the breakout. It's basically coming along again. How many XP coins should a person get if they're just starting? Probably like 10 or 20 coins. So you can open an account. Maybe. Then again, now it's kind of expensive, man. Before they used to be like, $5. Right now it's like $50, it feels like. Man, really? Oh, just 10 XRP. It's like $30 instead of like $5, $3, $2. Man. That's actually weird. Quant is going to be massive too. The moment that Quant decided to sell, get rid of Twitter, I kind of wrote them off a little bit because they're kind of dumb. Like real talk, right? You might say, Dusty, but Quant is only for the institutionals. Yeah, but why would you get rid of Twitter? It doesn't mean I still have a good amount of QNT, by the way. I'm really hoping for it to do well. But I kind of was like, wait, why would you do that? It's up 40% today. H-bar is the real MVP though. And we just bought it yesterday, which is nice. Next entry for XRP. Buying XRP, for example, right now at $2.75 or something is not too stupid. But ultimately, nobody... I'm looking through. Wait a minute. Let's see. If there's any news, boys, you text me straight away. You let me know where to watch. DA says, I remember watching you 5 years ago. We had a very small viewer account, and I ate your videos like morning breakfast. Then I stopped watching because XRP was dead for years, holding a big bag to $10. You know how many people have said, Dusty, I hate you for talking about XRP so much. You ruined my life, blah, blah, blah. And now, all of a sudden, people are changing, huh? No, but man, nice to see you coming back, man. Happy to see you're doing good. When did you guys find my channel? Let's see. So somebody else says, I've been watching here for years. Oh, wait, let's see. Oh, you've been on here for years with Dusty. That's cool and loyalty. Oh, you're talking about that guy. Who's been here for at least like half a year? What year did you guys find the channel? Some of you guys must be first timers, but like what year? 2018? Okay, some of the OGs. Does anybody watch here in 2017? 4 days ago, I love it. All right, newbie, huh? Top 3 memes. I made a meme video. 1998, amazing. Since 2021, 2024, today, just now. All right, nice. Kim TV, nice. 2 weeks ago, 2 years back. Anybody in 2017? 2017-ish. 5 seconds ago. All right. Somebody here in 2017, Ara, huh? Okay. And you only had like 10 XRP. That's interesting. But hey, it's each turn. Now you will cry. Dump started. Okay, I'm not sure why I would cry. I'm very satisfied with the dump. It's fine. Some people seem to believe that just because the price is going down, I'd feel bad or something. I don't know. I always say cash out some. Even now, it's $2.17 XRP. If you want to cash some out, I don't know, man. I feel like it's okay. Like, even if it goes right back to $2.46, like, honest talk, $2.75 broken right now. Major area to watch for is $2.50, which acted as resistance just now. In the middle, I wouldn't really bother even looking at it because things are going too exponential too fast, right? I wouldn't buy a $2.60, not even $2.55, not maybe a $2.50 if you're already in one, and then maybe try to wait for another lower break, maybe like it to back at $2, something like that. Because we're going up by such crazy margins in such a short amount of time. That's what I would do. Any thoughts on Algorand? Algorand is bullish, man, but they went up so much in the last little bit. And I'll say it once more, even now at $2.65 per XRP, which is, by the way, higher than when I started this stream a few hours ago. If I have to keep repeating this because some people will come up to me in a few weeks and say, Dusty, I wish I sold. I'm going to say it right now. Nobody knows if we're going to be at $1.20 tomorrow or $7. If you are able to change your life right now with gains, if you're scared of losing everything again, it's okay to cash some out. It's okay to cash out everything. The reason you see me selling quite often on the videos is not because I really just it's only because I realize many people are too stubborn to sell, and that's how you lose everything over a prolonged period of time in terms of all your gains. So don't be a stupid ass thinking we're going higher, because in my opinion we probably will, right? But that doesn't mean it won't be a very, very big bloodbath in the middle, which is why I'm saying it's okay to sell in the meantime and then just enjoy some of those gains and just let the rest ride for the longer term. You don't have to take your whole bag towards the top of the top. Oh, alert! Everybody, we just got ourselves an alert. This is an interesting thing. So maybe, just maybe, this is causing a bit of a dump. So the United States government has decided to join our game of cryptos, as the US government just moved $2 billion worth of Bitcoin to a new address. And the reaction is, oh no. Okay. Maybe the US government has decided that Bitcoin is high enough. It's time for them to start selling. Bitcoin is falling as we speak. It's gone down about 1.5% in the last hour, but it was looking good. A lot of our coins were pumping. Now that it's dumping, perhaps some of our coins are also dumping. Maybe it's causation here. Oh, guys, we are very, very close to 170,000 subs. Very, very interesting. The fact that things are going so fast right now that XRP is going absolutely crazy. I mean, it is really, really crazy. Some people, when they look at my... Why do so many people comment that I hate XRP? I mean, I have a love-hate relationship with most coins. If they go down, I don't like them. If they go up, I like them. But I remember, man, you know how many years I've been making videos for? Let's see. So this is Bitcoin, by the way. XRP at 268. Wow, ADA is pumping, huh? Oh, it's actually coming back down, but I just see the trade is doing pretty good. Anyway, so let us open my normal account again over here. If I could do that. Give me a second. There we go. So our normal account. It's still not doing so bad. So XP is down a couple $1,000s here, but we're still doing pretty good if you ask me. I mean, we're still up $57,000 on the $2,000 we put in, so it's definitely not too bad still. And I sometimes think it's nicer to actually see, you know, a couple $1,000s turn into a couple tens of thousands than it is to turn $100,000 into $1 million or something, because it's more achievable to anybody, right? Most people watching right now have a couple $1,000 to trade with. They might not have hundreds of thousands. What does that have to do with the news have to do with the government? What is your name on Blowfin? Why does it matter what my name is? If you use the link down below, you're already automatically in our team. It doesn't matter what my name is. Sell the news event with the 60-minute interview. No, the 60-minute interview is in like a few weeks. We talked about that for a while. I've made a video on it yesterday as well. I wonder if we're still number one though, because right now we're number one. I hope we're going to stay that. Been learning a lot from you exactly 1 week, and you've changed my life. Your vibe towards the XRP gave me the leap in a very difficult time. Up 7K in a 9K buy-in at 169. I'm all in and praying. I mean, at that point, might as well change your life. Sell. I don't know. Death says, please, Dusty, your future videos, edit a warning about scammers. I can't do that. That's too much effort. If somebody falls for an effort in the comment section, I kind of feel as if that's a really, really harsh lesson. But they need to grow up for the internet. The internet is a very harsh place. I can't warn you for everything. I've made so many videos warning about scams, but if there's still people believing, for example, that somebody's going to double your money by just you sending it to them, brothers, I'm not sure how to save you, man. But I appreciate you looking out for people. It shows your good character. So from that, I got to give you a big little hands against each other, but I'm not going to edit something into every video. I did that in the past. I tried to say it in every video, but nowadays, just forget. It's been years, brother. If you're still not used to the fact that people scam in crypto, it's difficult. You have a good point. He says we all have to start to crypto. True that. True that. But, man, we tried to delete all the scam comments, but it's like fighting an uphill battle, man. There's so many people. Somebody says, I'm going to double your money, Dusty. Just send my unk in Ghana 20K. I'm always reporting scammers. YouTube takes hours to remove them. Yeah. YouTube is not the best when it comes to those type of things. Do you think XRP will pump when the interview comes out? It could be weeks, it could be months before it comes out. We don't know. Somebody just texted he bought at $2.80. Well, I mean, a lot of people said yesterday that he bought at $2.50, and then today it's up like 10% from that. So, I mean, I can't say it's bad, but I'm just saying, why would you buy when it's literally at the highest point ever? And wouldn't you buy it after correction? Then again, just watch your luck. You're going to be up 50% in like a few hours, right? So, I mean, because right now we're at 260 something. Never mind. We're at 273 already. So, most likely we're just going to keep seeing XRP just absolutely destroy. XRP rank 3 crypto on the charts. Yes. Let's see. So in the team rankings, guys, we are number 1 right now. Let me refresh it though. Let's see where we're at in the general competition. We are number 18. So we started out at number 60. And the team right now is at number 18. If we actually get to the top 10, I will literally, okay, I won't say what I'm going to do. I was going to talk about all the crazy things I'm going to commit, but I shouldn't say that stuff. Guys, if you're not joined our team yet, we've got 850 people. That's crazy in our team already. That's massive, guys. We have a massive team just now. Again, link is down below. Also, the more you trade, the more rewards you get. And we have ourselves a pretty massive campaign going on over on Blowfin. And yesterday, I made a video talking about why I'm opening all these trades right here. And I'll be able to turn them into probably, I'm hoping, right, a couple $100,000 worth of profit for the next few months. Just starting out with $5,000 right now in that account. I opened another account with $10,000. We might do 2 challenges at the same time. I don't know yet. All I know is right now the government is moving some Bitcoin around. It got people scared for a second. But I guess the price... Guys, literally, the government news came out. Bitcoin's price dropped a lot, right? All of a sudden now, though, people are finding again that who gives a crap about the freaking government? And now prices are back on the up and up. That is funny. We're pumping back up. And if you're wondering the exchange, the link is down below. And also, I'm not saying follow me. I'm a degenerate. I do dumb things because, I don't know. Next target, $3 per XRP. Because we know Bitcoin's run is just barely starting. And finally, this is so super nice to me as well, that Bitcoin made a red weekly candle. Maybe it actually makes another red weekly candle. This would be so amazing because right now alts get back their dominance. And even back in the Bitcoin 2021 run, right? It's nice to see some red candles, especially if they're kind of neutral, because that gives some time for these alts to just completely rip, right? It's like this little meantime where maybe afterwards Bitcoin decides to drop like 20% or so. I'm fine with going back to 85,000 or something like that, just so we can start going absolutely crazy from there again. But then in the meantime, alts can just take up all that dominance, just schluck it all up, and then we just absolutely freaking send it. Then again, not financial advice. Not financial advice. None. People buying XRP now? I mean, yeah, people will buy XRP all the way towards the top because they think it's going to go way higher than what we're at right now. And I get where they're coming from. I like, honestly, I really, really get it right now. I completely wrecked my pants. No. No. One sec. Oh, camera broke? Oh. Man, why does this camera keep breaking, man? Guys, are we still live? Are we still good? I think so. Wait a minute. Hey, everybody. Pata says Jim Cramer just... You know what we should do, guys? If I go to Twitter right now... And let me do... This is going to be really funny. If I pose this, hopefully Jim Cramer gives us a little answer and says, yep, XRP is a sell in my book. And then we just absolutely send it. Guys, go over to Twitter right now. Give this little tweet some love. I'll put it in the chat real quick. This is smart. If you guys do not know, Jim is always the best inverse indicator. Whenever he says you should sell, things just go absolutely crazy. So if we get Jim Cramer to start saying, yep, this would be smart. Didn't Jim Cramer say that on Friday? He said something about Bitcoin a few days back. But not XRP. I'm not sure when Jamer last talked about XRP. Maybe a long time ago. So, for anybody watching right now, asking Dusty, what is your strategy? So, my strategy here is called buy and hold, because I'm now no little whiny ass. on account number 1, right? But I have a lot of accounts. So account number 2, the 𝗶𝘀𝗀 one, has been buy and hold. But this is stupid because I've actually talked to you guys many times about where to buy, where to sell. We said sell at 250, buy back later. You could have bought at 220, right? I said sell at 275, buy back later. Could have bought back at 260. This high top, I actually didn't have any reasoning for. I would have still probably held. But I'm now opening a new account. We're going to trade more frequently. As you can see, we've opened a couple new positions. I think we're going to take this account to a couple $100,000 over the next few weeks. Again, we're going to be trading this over on 𝗶𝘀𝗀 for the most part. But the problem is they cannot do sub accounts here. So that's why I'm using Bybit as an example. But again, a lot of people in the chat box can't use Bybit. So I would use 𝗶𝘀𝗀 if I was you guys. But the problem is I can't diverse. Then I have to make new accounts, but I prefer to just do everything on my main. And I can't make sub accounts yet. It starts like in a few weeks. So I can't show you guys because I want to open all separate trades here. This is a man's game. You bet your ass. Can you explain the third account? Which one? I have... You don't know how many... Brothers, you guys know we have a lot of accounts. So let's go through another few. All right, I'll open 2 more for you that you might have not seen in a while. Let me find some. So let me see. I have a lot. Okay, you'll be confused with the amount of trades that I have open on a daily basis. All right, it's scary. So I'll open this one real quick first. Okay, give me a second. Let's open this trade account first. This is the one you've seen quite a lot. I'll just open 2. I won't reveal too much today. So here's one, right? You guys know the Bitcoin trade, right? Where we would put $2,000 in, and right now it's in $36,000 worth of profit because we had a very good entry on Bitcoin. That one you guys know. Why is your room so dark? Brother, we shaming rooms now? Really? Is that what we're doing now? Really? Okay, let's do another account. Let's see which one. Let's go. Let me quickly check. So here's another one where I was like, okay, this is on Dusty Trades on the second channel. I was like, okay, you know what? We're right now opening a long position. And then I never followed up because I stopped making videos. It's up 1,200%. We put $60 in. It's at $800 of profit right now. So not good, not bad. It's about the fact that it's up 1,200%. That's pretty cool. And yeah, we can go on like this for a while. I have a lot of these that I think of doing a new challenge. And I think of doing a new cool thing. We open up a new account. And every single one of them is a profit because almost every single crypto I've ever held is at an all-time high. And I have a couple of exchanges. If I go to, okay, I don't want to say it. I want to say some of these accounts have been doing crazy numbers from the last time that I've shown them to you in videos or on stream. But we'll leave that for a different day. Too much gains for one day. And if you guys are asking, should I buy right now? Go look at a video I made one day ago that says, should you buy XRP right now? And I explain why you should or why you shouldn't. There's another video that I talk about why the XP price is up today. Hey, this is nice. I'm now VIP 3. Okay. Hey, what type of gift do I get for being a VIP 3? Let me see. I get a gift. Sorry guys, I'm opening a gift real quick. That is shitty gifts. Really, that's it? A travel set, passport holder, neck pillow, laptop bag? $200 or $200? So I give them hundreds of thousands of dollars, maybe millions of dollars in fees, and this is what they give me. A travel set, a passport holder. It's good. I appreciate it. I love you, Bybit. But what am I supposed to do with that? All right. But all good, brother. All right, let's see. What are you holding more than XRP? XRP is my biggest bag right now. But I have a lot of Bitcoin, have a lot of Ethereum, which has been really, really bad now recently. I have a lot of coins, man. HBAR, Cardano. I gotta think about it. Mantra, OM. I have a lot of BNB. I have a ridiculous amount of because it farms you those airdrops. So it's actually been quite worth it. AOS is my biggest AI bag. Mantra is my biggest RWA bag. Brett is my biggest meme coin. What else do I have a lot of? Solana, I have a good chunk of. Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin. XLM, I wouldn't say that much. HBAR, I have a good chunk of. It's my fourth biggest altcoin, I think. What else is there? I mean, I could just check my accounts, but this is just out of my head what I have. How can I follow your challenge? Just watch my videos every single day? I mean, what do you mean? What exchange do you use? Bybit and I forgot the name. Blowfin. Links are down below. Blowfin you can use from anywhere in the world. Bybit, only restricted countries, not that many. Hey man, do you mentor? No. I clicked your Discord link and it's not working. Can somebody confirm that? I've seen multiple people say my Discord link does not work, but when I check it, and I've had multiple people check it, it works. T says, what is a decent buy target for XRP on leverage? I'm long but don't want to get liquidated in sell-offs. Then just lower your size. If you're afraid of getting liquidated, lower your size so you can buy back down lower. As I said, I always do leverage, but the reason I'm never afraid is because I could just keep adding buys down lower. Don't enter full size with your first trade because at that point it's getting really, really risky, right? You might be right, but you might be wrong. If you are with a size that you can actually back up in case we go back down further, I think you're good. I used to be an old school mod for you like 5 years ago, MATIC. Okay, what happened to your account then, I guess, huh? Should I buy some XRP right now or am I too late? Go look back at my video about whether or not you're too late to buy XRP. I explained everything in that video. William says, if everybody in the chat right now buys, the price goes up. No, it wouldn't. We're not that relevant. 273. We're on the up and up again, though. Somebody says, should I sell at 280 and buy back cheaper at 250? I mean, you could try. You could try your luck. Let's see here. Who thinks $2.80 will be breached today? $2.80. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too high. And by the way, if you're not subscribed yet, you don't have to. Literally, it does not matter to me. All right, I don't care about subscriber numbers anymore. I'm a grown-ass man. All right, all I care about is you want to make sure you get the notification whenever something crazy happens. So you might want to be subscribed in case you start dropping like crazy or pumping like crazy. I think it's very nice to get a notification because I always just stream. But ultimately, it's up to you, whatever you prefer in terms of all these things. The like, I'm sometimes a little baby for because it helps the stream out. But whether or not you subscribe doesn't matter to me, man. It's all about how many people show up every single day. And a lot of you guys do. So I love every single one of you, all right? Predictions in. Yes or no to $2.80 per XRP? Yes or no? What are we thinking? $3.20, $3.30. Easy. Wisdom Tree filed for an ETF. Yes, hours ago. We covered that already. So most people are saying yes. I'd say most people are saying yes. Can HBAR reach $3? Are you really waiting for a $3 HBAR? Right now it's at 20 cents or 30 cents. Brother, I'm not saying it can't happen, but you're hoping for a little bit of a miracle right there, my G. You're hoping for $3 per HBAR? I mean, if you're talking about the entire cycle, then a lot of these things become very, a lot simpler, right? But if we're talking about, oh, can I do it like next week? Brother, a 15x or 10x, whatever, in a week or in this month, we're asking for too much of a miracle. All is possible. I will never be the guy to tell you, no, it can't, because it could. We've seen crazier things. But probability-wise, the highest probability play is that we won't do more than 4x, 5x a month. in the best case. But now we've already done that this month. So we're not expecting more of a 4x. If we do a 2x this month or so, I'd be very, very satisfied, to be honest with you. Dusty, can you teach us how to trade? No. All I can show you is what I'm doing. And if you go watch my videos, like the one from yesterday where I'm saying I'm buying, I'm going all in, that video, you can see why I'm opening new trades, and I explain everything in that video. So you got to look back at that. All right, let me quickly find it for you. Give me a second. Go to, on my channel, right? Go to this video right here, the one I'm going all in. Make millions using this strategy. Watch that video, study it relentlessly, and if you're also a bit cuckoo like me, that strategy will work for you. If you're very, very sane and you want to keep all your money in the best scenario ever, don't do what I'm doing, because it's hard on the mental. Anyway, my altcoins are dumping. You know, Core, Brett, my top coins are not doing well. But then on the opposite side, my HBAR and XRP are exploding so much by such crazy margins that all the dumps are negated. It's just completely negating all the downside. Hey guys, if you could order one piece of food, right? If you could order something, what would you order right now? I mean, XRP at the highest point ever, but I kind of don't want to go outside. I kind of want to keep watching these charts. Man, if I keep thinking about the cycle that XRP to Bitcoin is about to go. Oh, wait, you guys can't see? It shows black screen for me. We good, guys? We good? Whoever said fried chicken and watermelon, you gotta, hey, check yourself out a little bit, you know, my friend? I'm just joking. Nobody said that. It's a shift to utility? Yes. It is a little bit. What about Shiba Inu? What about Shiba Inu? Somebody says. Yeah, what about it, dude? I'm not getting pizza, guys. You want me to get... No, that's crazy. Is there good sushi there? In Dubai, is there good sushi, really? Is that the question? The question is there's good sushi here? Really? Yeah, there's good sushi. But ordering sushi is kind of awful here. Stomp op met rookworst. Yeah. You gonna make it for me, dude? I don't think I can order Dutch food here. Maybe we should get some African food, huh? Carne asada, sí. ¿Por qué no? Dusty, do we wait for a correction or just buy now? XRP. Well, but it's up to you. I mean, if you are like me, you could just buy your way down anyway, so why not just buy? But some people are built different. Dusty, why did you say that's so Dutch? Which words? Praat je Nederlands? Sí. Español también. Sí. Egusi soup and fufu. Hey. Egusi stew. Someone on Facebook said XRP won the lawsuit. It did like months back, dude. What are we talking about? What coin is showing on the screen? XRP versus Bitcoin. Stamp op met rookworst. Why do people want me to eat that? Patatje oorlog? Nice. I don't think you can order that either. Keep hustling. Really? Whoa. People notice I speak more than 2 languages, really? Or 1, I guess. That's crazy. Let's see, why is this not loading in? Why is Bybit black? I also speak Indian. No, just kidding. So, never mind. I'm too racist, maybe, huh? I'm not racist. I am. The duality of man. How racist can one be? Anyway, let's see. Here we go. Looking back at XRP. Chicken and macaroni. Dusty, any plans to hit up New York City? I went there last year. It was pretty cool. I like New York. Was it crazy, like a simulation, though, of a place? The fact that New York really was like that, I kind of thought it was like in movies. Hey, Ma, what you... I don't know. I saw some guy on a bicycle with another guy in the back just holding him like this. Hey, Ma, what you do? Something like that. I don't remember exactly what he said. And it was like, whoa, this really happens in New York? That's crazy. Dusty, I've heard of Ripple is planning to use XRP in its, it has an escrow of liquidity for the AUD stablecoin. This would cause a huge supply shock. Thoughts? I have no idea why that would cause a huge supply shock. You mean if they would use XRP as underlying I mean, what do you mean XRP as liquidity for the RUSD stablecoin? Do you mean as an underlying asset to print more RUSD, or why do you mean XRP as liquidity for a stablecoin? How is that supposed to work? Ultimately, they could use it as backing, but I don't know exactly what you mean. $2.71 per XRP. Should I just order many, many things because I can't choose? Maybe that's wisdom. Sometimes I think that's wise. If you can't choose, just order everything you can think of. That's my style. Somebody keeps spamming me. Should I put 50 euro in 𝗵𝗵𝘀? If you want to put that, dude, what do you mean? What do you keep asking me for? It's your money. It's your $50. I'm not going to lose anything. You know what? I'll just say, no, don't do it. No. I would not if I was you. I would just always keep it in my pocket. Why? I don't know, man. I just let it randomly pick no. And that's your answer. No, I would not. No. Because I have $50 right now, and I'm not putting it in. So, I mean, if that's the question you were asking. Let's see. When will it reach $3? Brothers, are you not satisfied at $2, like 80 or whatever in XRP? Is it not good enough for you? Are you getting greedy now? You want more? $2.75, whatever, in XRP. And he's saying, when 3? I mean, actually, if you think about it, it is kind of greedy, that perspective. Let's say you had 1K to start. What would you do with that? I explained it yesterday in my video, so watch that one. Where I talk about I'm going all in. That one, just watch that video. If you're wondering, what would I do? What would I do? Just watch that video. If you're wondering, what would I do? Just watch that video. If you're wondering, hey, what do you trade? Just watch that video. If you're wondering, hey, what's your strategy? Watch that video. Everything kind of comes back to that video. Okay. All right. You on mute? Yes, I know. Audio gone. Don't worry about it. All right, don't worry about it. Let me talk sometimes, all right? Sometimes I'm not talking to you boys. Mic check 101. Don't worry about my mic. Thank you to the founder of XRP. Now I know why your case is too long. I've been waiting since 2021 for a moment like this, so please don't ask stupid question when to buy XRP. You know what's actually interesting? That the majority of people have been buying XRP at like 50 cents, 40 cents, 30 cents, maybe even at 17 cents. Nobody's interested. It makes me think of that little meme that I showed you guys yesterday, right? Nobody's interested at those points, right? Where's that little thing? First of all, this is really accurate. Why is it going down after the price is up so many thousands of percent? But also it's oh man, my saves here are so freaking fun. It's this one right here. At 10 cents, nobody cares. At 20 cents, nobody cares. At 65 cents, nobody cares. I've made at least 2,000 or 3,000 videos on XRP, I think. And for most of them, it's been bear market. Or at least not good times for XRP because of the lawsuit, etc. I've made hundreds of videos covering that lawsuit. And you know what's funny? That all of a sudden now, When we're at the top of the top, people are like, should I buy? When we're down, everybody's always clowning us as a community. They were always clowning us saying, oh, you guys are so dumb for buying in. And a couple of y'all have been here for so many years. You always said, man, we still believe yada, 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 yada. But a lot of people clowned us for a while. But now the tables have turned. The tables have really freaking turned. GVC says the chat looks the same as in 2017. Yeah, I mean, it kind of does. But then again, back then prices went a lot slower than they are now. Right now, they're so exponential, it's crazy. Lone says, thoughts on AOS and Pepe? Pepe is one of the most bullish memes in my opinion. AOS is my biggest AI coin. So, yeah. I sold some AOS at 135 yesterday. Right now, it's back like a few percent. But I still think it looks pretty good. The thing is, I bought AOS so cheap, just like how XRP I bought so cheap that I'm sometimes thinking, it's okay to sell, right? Do you think it will go up to $3 today? No. I don't think it'll go up to $3. I hope so, but I don't think so. Like me, my honest thoughts is I don't think so. I've been surprised many times though. I didn't expect it to go past 275 this time around. Like honest truth, I didn't expect it to go. But every single time I look back, it just keeps making another high. So I don't know. But I didn't expect more than 275. If I was if I had to throw up a coin, I'd say just sell at 275, be happy. But that's just me, right? Some people like the prices to go further. Somebody says 190. Hey, I'm not saying it's gonna. You guys are saying tomorrow, as if I have a crystal ball. I don't know. Right now we are at 265 in XRP. It's not loading in though. $1.20 in ADA. For some reason, my exchanges are kind of buggy right now. I think a lot of people are thinking so much about the short term, not enough about the long term. They start forgetting things. Bro, been live for too long. Yeah. Hey, if you guys could pick one question that I had to make a video on right now, what would it be? If I had to make a video on something right now, what would you like to see? The weather? Where can I buy XP? Okay, how long play coin to buy? Will the market crash again like it did before? Okay, so crash. But this is entering market with 2K today. Easiest way to get to $10,000. The easiest way is to 100x long and literally pray. It's also the easiest way to lose 2K, but it's the easiest way. So there's always a risk to reward. So if you want the easiest way, go all in risk. Yay! Woo, maybe. But that's also how you lose it in like a few minutes. So it's a 50-50 game. Chris says, are we ignorant to think that there won't be a massive pullback at $3.80? $3.80, and he's expecting a pullback, huh? I mean, you're not ignorant to think that. I mean, as long as Bitcoin right now is pulling back hard, right? Bitcoin right now fell below $96,000 again. The moment that Bitcoin falls hard, and Ethereum right now is also like $100 down from a few hours ago, this is when people start thinking, ooh, maybe. But Ethereum market is bleeding right now, like this guy said. Bitcoin now is bleeding as well, maybe because of the government news. It's not that weird to now see XRP not continue with the gains because it's up like 50% in a day or 40%, whatever. So that also kind of makes it more logical for our main coin to fall here. Is it really unreasonable to think it's not going to go through? Oh, sorry. Is it unreasonable? Whatever. Well, I mean, there's a good chance it just keeps going because it has been going for a while. So that's what people think it's going to go more because it just keeps going. Every single time you think, no, it's not going to go, it goes more. No, it's going to go more. At some point, that little top has to fall in, though, meaning it has to come down a little bit. But it doesn't mean it has to go back all the way down to like $2. It might just go down to $2.20, $2.40, and then go back up. All I'm saying is it's okay to trim your profits. Right? This person says it took a trim at 150 and 280 already. I still have a lot left. But yeah, no, I mean, if you want to sell some, even if you want to sell everything, we're at literally the highest price in many, many years. I'm proud of you still. If you sell everything now at $2.65 an XRP, whatever. Can I reach $50 by 2025? Why are you worrying about $50? We're at $2, brother. Calm down. XRP is downing. Again, I'll show you one very, very important thing. First of all, $1,000 giveaway down below, but this one. Why is it going down? After we're up 50% in a day and we go down from 280, by the way, it was like $2.20 just now. It was $2 yesterday, I think. We go down from 280 to 265 and people are clowning other people in the chat. That is ridiculous. Do you still think XP is going to $12? Again, my base target is like $9 this cycle. I've said that for many years. $9 to $12 is my ideal base range. But if Bitcoin does really, really well, I can see an XRP even at $25 or something like that. Your opinion on why Bitcoin maximalists are saying it's too late to buy XRP now at its present price, and they're still buying Bitcoin and ETH at this price, is because XRP is way more volatile. It's more like a shitcoin when it comes to these price fluctuations, whereas Bitcoin and ETH, people are more certain that they will last throughout the ages. And obviously, if we look at the past cycles, Ethereum went to what? $1,400, 2017, Bitcoin 20,000-ish. Next cycle, Ethereum 4,500, let's say, Bitcoin 70,000-ish. So Bitcoin about 2.5x, Ethereum, let's call it a 3x or so. They're expecting that kind of pattern to continue on. Whereas with XRP, it went from $3, $4 to $2. So where would it go next cycle? There's not really a line to be drawn there. So, and Ethereum is obviously way bigger and has more of a role as a network. It's way broader. People are more certain that those will continue throughout the ages, whereas XRP is, there's a different sort of community that buy those. So the counter is that people are fine. I don't know the best way to word it. More people are just certain that Bitcoin and ETH will basically look like this over time, whereas with XRP, it looks more like a crazy exponential and then a big fall. XRP back at 265. It's not loading in for me though. Here we go. Yeah, but don't let this dumb fool you, by the way. Every single time I've gone to bed, I was thinking, you know what? This might be where things end. And it's refreshing again. Let me just look at you like this. Every single time I've gone to bed, I'm thinking this might be where I wake up tomorrow at like 30% down. And then I wake up, the price is the same as when I went to bed. And then throughout the day, it's up like 40% again. So as a counter to everybody's, oh no, it's crashing right now. It's done that many times and it kept faking me out for a bit. But if it do crash, I'll just be buying the freaking dip. It's okay. And we'll probably be able to fling. Wow, I don't even know how to say it anymore. Man, you know what? I'm gonna record some videos again today. If the price does something crazy, I'll get you guys back with another stream. But I've noticed we've been streaming for almost 3 hours. I'm broken. I've noticed I'm broken here. My voice is not the same as it once was. Guys, if you enjoyed the stream, make sure you press that like button. My Bybit is also not loading in anymore. We are almost at 3. Like yesterday, we went to 5,000 likes, I think. So that was actually crazier. I think we went to 5,000 likes, which is actually the craziest in a long time. But still today at 3,000 likes, I think you guys have been amazing. Amazing people. We've got 50,000 people saying hi. Stopping by saying hi. It's been amazing. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, if you want to, you can do that because then you can put the notification bell on. And so you're going to be notified every single time I upload something new. But yeah, that's about it for this stream today. If something crazy happens, I'll be back with another stream though. Somebody says, don't go, it's pumping again. If we pump like crazy, I'll be back. But I gotta eat, gotta calm down a little bit. It's at 268 right now as we speak. So yes, the price is doing really, really well for itself. Whoever's worried about XRP, I'd say worry about something else. I think this coin is good. I think we're in for a really, really good next couple of weeks. And boys, everybody, see you in a few hours, all right? Or in at least maximum 1 hour, I'll probably be out with another video. If you guys have suggestions, let me know down below. And every single time, right? The first person to make sure to press that like button, I always appreciate you and I'll remember you forever. So if another video pops in the next few hours, in the next 1 hour, there'll be another video on the channel. Make sure you look back here because the first person to come on in and say hi, you're saluted. Boys, have a good night. And ladies and gentlemen, I mean, not night, it's like 9 p.m. I'm gonna be back in like an hour.